man. Tee off.
Look, bro, Jordan dead be like trying to bro, don't listen to this guy. If y'all was on live, don't listen to him, bro. Like y'all was on live, he didn't have these numbers. Y'all see my chart now, right? He ain't have these numbers. And he was like, yo, Moody, what's this right here? A two down, 2-1. He's like, nah, that's a 2-1-2. I got that. He was like, no, actually, this one right here on the 15 is a 3-bar. You see that, Moody? But he don't got the numbers on it, right? But he's shredding. You know what I'm saying? He like, you saw that? I'm like, all right, player. All right, cool. Say less. All right, let's get to these charts. But nah, yeah, don't let him fool y'all, bro. Like, I mean, don't let me fool y'all either. I be clowning, but oh snap, it's late. Nah,
Wrong.
But I'm gonna
Wrong.
be honest with y'all.
Wrong. You know the strat. Come on, bro.
I'm gonna be honest with y'all.
Give yourself credit. Come on, man.
I'm gonna be listen, bro. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. 100% honest with y'all. I don't know what the hell I be doing. I just know the strat combo sheet. That's all I know. Look, y'all wanna know my routine? I wake up, I meditate. I don't even brush my teeth first. I just meditate. Then I go brush my teeth. Somebody in the chat, hold on. Hey, you have a blessed weekend, man. Have an abundant one. You feel me?
All right.
But nah, let me stop joking with y'all. But I do meditate every morning, right? Oh, I try to some mornings. Some mornings I don't. But yeah, bro, I just be praying. To be honest with y'all, I'll be like, look, God, don't let us down now. You know what I'm saying? We believe in you. And I just be, what is this? Ooh, a 2-1. And that's it. And I use the RSI, and that's it. I'd be like, ooh, we about to break median. Ooh, okay, let's go. Let's do it. But nah, let's get to it for real though. But to be honest, like y'all want me to be honest with y'all, right? So somebody said walk you through what I saw on TTD. You want to know what I saw on TTD? Moody, for real? I'm gonna be honest with you. What I saw was, I was like, Moody, what the heck wrong with you, bro? You charted it and then you didn't watch it because you don't play earnings. And then this thing ran for earnings. You see it? Right? Look, here, I'll show y'all. Because y'all want to see the truth and the whole truth and nothing but the truth. All right, put these down here. I'll be trying to look at the camera now because y'all be funny. I'm gonna start watching y'all. But look, all right, let's go to Moody's channel. See, I learned this from Jordan. I'm gonna start shouting my guy out. I literally be duplicating this guy. I be seeing him like in the channel. I'd be like, oh, so that's how people just go to your okay. Let me be quiet.
Yeah, we saw that alert. You posted that.
I'm not alerting nothing. I was just trying. Hey, I was already in the trade, so I was just like, I'm gonna buy
something. There we go. Truth, facts.
But look, listen, check it. So this is TTD, but dang, I really want to go. Let's try to take it all the way up so you can see why I traded TTD. I want to be real with y'all. I put it out, and I'm probably not gonna find it because I don't remember what day I put it out.
Today.
No, it wasn't today.
Your alert went off today. You said
no, yeah, alert went off today, but I've been charted it like 2 weeks ago before earnings. And I was trying to play the pre-earnings run-up. It didn't happen pre-earnings. It happened for earnings. Oh, wait, it's probably right here with PDD. Let me see, SPY. TTD, you see this? Look at the day. All right, that was on the 3rd. Look, see, that was God, bro. I told you to be praying. I promise. All right, so look. Let's go to the eyeballs, because that means I had just dropped it on the 2nd. That's what I did. Because earnings was coming. And I was like, and I had put it, I ain't gonna cap. I missed my entry. I was like, oh. You see that? I was depressed. That's 47 to 48. If y'all see how TTD moving and how it pays, it's pretty decent. You know what I'm saying? Especially if you go weekly on them. So, boom, I had put it out, come down here. Then I put I had been put the eyeballs. When I had put it out, I was like, TTD, I see 50.87. And see, and I'm being honest with you, I was not in this trade. You know what I'm saying? I missed my entry. Yeah. So now that you see this back on 03, I missed my entry. Just like when I put out SMH, I was like, dang, I missed my entry on SMH, but look, I'm about to get in. But now let's go back to the charts. So this is what Moody saw. I saw that it was running up. I was like, oh, that's how I feel. That's how I feel. I couldn't get all those profits. I want some too. So I took this bad boy to the 4 hour. That's the first thing I did. I did it to the 4 hour. None of this was here. It was only a 3. It was a 312. That's what it was right here. Why it look like this? Because my entry was on the top of the 3. Hold on. How did it look? This is gonna remind me. Because I don't cap. I'll be showing y'all everything. Let's go. Was it the 4 hour? What was it? It was the weekly. No, but that's not where I did it from.
You trick. So you entered before the 79.
No, I remember because I used the inside bar. It was the 4 hour. It's just it moved differently. Let me see. Let's go back. But what were you saying, bro? My bad.
I said you entered before the 79 trigger.
Yeah, no, I entered with it. Nah, not before it. I entered
Okay.
with 79, 79, 79, 79. When it triggered, I entered. I didn't enter. Once it triggered, I went to go fill my prices. I put it at I think when I first set it, I put it at like 80 and it filled me for 79. And that's probably because the price was just volatile. I entered in when it was a 1 bar and it went 2 bar. That's why I was confused on the chart. I was like, bro, I entered in on the 1 bar. But and all I did, I'm not gonna lie to you, I wasn't on the 1 minute, I wasn't on the 2 minute, I wasn't on the 3 minute, I was on this 4 hour. I set my alert, it hit my trigger. I was like, all right, cool. My whole mindset was to swing it. That's why I was not on the 1 minute or anything. I was like, all right, I'm swinging this. All right, cool, bet. Mind you, I'm already in, but not in at my entry. I'm not in that trade, right? So boom. So what happened? That's all I saw. And then I took it over to, hold on, it's a candle I wanted to mirror. Was it on the hour? Where's that candle at? No, it's the weekly. I just want to be honest with y'all. I don't remember that other candle, but I do remember the weekly because I put it out and I just seen it eating up the PMG, right? And I was just like, dang, bro. All right, cool. What I think is going to happen is going to eat up more of the PMG. Don't listen to Moody, but I'm about to show you something, right? Let me try to make the candles. Let me see how I can make the candle so you can actually identify it. Don't try to look at this little gap inside of here. Look at all these like one big candle. So this is what Moody told himself. Where's my brush at? I was like, we got a PMG. That's what I be saying. I don't be knowing, bro. I be taking guesses just like everybody else. Yeah, I use a brush. So right here, we have a shoulder. We have a head. We have a shoulder. That ain't real, bro. But that's what I told myself. Because I'm like, nah, bro. That's what I see in my chart. Mind you, I'm seeing my PMG. Look, if you go to the back of my screen, because this is the one I keep it on right here. I trade with this on here like this. PMG, right? But this one's going to the upside, not to the downside. It's going to the upside, right? I just be looking at this. This is my combo sheet, bro. I ain't even gonna cap to you, right? Go to the chart, boom, and that's all I did. And then my targets, you can see where I got them from. Weekly target. The rest of all of these, I came down to like the hour most likely. That's what I did. Trying to remember. But that's why I let a strap because it's gonna tell me exactly where I went because it's gonna be on a pick. Ooh, wrong thing.
Are you still swinging that?
Yes, absolutely.
That's what we want to know.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm mad that I cut SMH and UPS. That's another reason why I jumped in this, to be honest.
Jordan's still in that sundial.
Yep, I got it on. Yep, I took these off the hourly, and then all these alerts that I set was to walk me through. And I know I wanted to mirror a candle. Hold on, I'm gonna find it for you. It was just one big old candle.
Yeah, that one right there.
Which one? Hold on, I'm trying to go to the beginning of this.
Oh, that was at earnings.
Yeah, hold on. Was it that one? Here, the channel's gonna show me because I took a screenshot and posted it. Let's see where we got. It was right here. Let me see. took the 3, the 1. It could have been another tray. Let me stop. Oh no, it's this one. I was about to say, let me shut up before I put my foot in my mouth and I talk about a different trade. But no, it was this one right here. It was on the hourly chart. So where was price? 70. It was at 74.06. All right, cool. That helps me. So take it to the hourly. See, it's just that I don't got my chart all big. Let me not look at everybody. There we go. Now I can see my chart. All right, boom. That's what it was. I just didn't have it extended.
Oh.
All right, so you see this candle? This is the candle I wanted to mirror. This is when I put out the trade right here, right? That was gonna be the entry. So to me, when I was seeing this, I was just like, because I could remember now. I was just like, okay, if we break over this wick, mind you, we open down here. If we break over these wicks, we can create support up here, right? You can see it bounce. You see that wick right here? This one?
Yep.
Price action to these wicks. You can see that bounce off of there and keep going, right? You also have some supports up here. So all my mind told me was the chart likes to mirror itself. I was expecting one big candle, but it gave it to me in 2 candles, right? But we didn't go take out the final, the target that I wanted to take out for real. So all I did was set a whole bunch of alerts to guide me up the trade because I wasn't watching it. I was just gonna swing it. You know what I'm saying? So every time one of my alerts hit, I was like, dang, and I'm driving going to get my food. You know, I'm not gonna cap, like, look, I'm not gonna show y'all everything, but I'll be honest with y'all.
Oh, I appreciate you, man. That's good.
Because I was talking to my boy right here. We was just about to get on the Zoom and see, look, I was like, I don't know, I told him in here somewhere. See, when I get on the computer, we'll get, and that's the same time. And you can look at the time. I don't be caring to be honest with people and show them, like, it's okay. If you slide in my DMs, we may just chart together. Who knows? It just depends if I'm busy. But that's all I saw. You see it right here?
Yep.
See how I'm explaining it. And that's all I saw. If we break those wicks and we create a support up here, we're gonna mirror this candle to take it back up to the support. I didn't think that we was gonna retrace a little bit. What I mean by retrace is just pulling back, like right here. Let me take you to the chart right here, going 2 down. But that's healthy, right? Because look at the uptrend. Don't even worry about this 3 bar, but look, we were moving up. You got a 2, it still went 2 up, but it started failing, came back 2 up. 2 down, but that 2 down failed, 2 up. So you just got to give it time, right? And also, I know I saw it on the 4-hour too. Yeah, see, there it is. I just didn't have it extended. And I was like, bro, if we break that, we're gonna come here with this candle. And that's why you see all these alerts to guide me up here. All the other ones hit, right?
Yeah.
And that's all I saw. And I never took it to the 5 minute. I never even cared about taking it to the 5 minute to 1 minute because I was gonna swing it. And you see how everything that I showed you on a 1 hour, with me having the mindset of wanting to swing this, I would have got faked out my trade. Or you know what I'm saying? The reason I say that is because once this doesn't look that choppy, this is a nice uptrend. You just had to wait for your to close.
Right. Yeah.
That's one of Jourdan's strategies. He waits for his candles to close, right? So if you would have took this all the way to a 5 minute, right? You cannot tell me that you would have not got faked out. You would have started, or even if it wasn't right here, even if it was right here, boom, okay, we entered.
Yep.
Soon it would have pulled back. You would have got scared.
Right there. Yep.
Because I used to get scared, and then all I tell myself is that I use multiple time frame analysis. Like, look, I'll draw it out to you. So, matter of fact, I don't need to do all that. Let's hit a replay. Wow.
Moody.
Yeah.
So you don't feel like, because I feel like when I use multiple time frame analysis, like when I go like from the 15, but then I go down to like the 5 minute to see if I should stay or if I should just how the momentum's going. You don't feel like it fakes you out a lot, or like it kind of messes with you?
Nah, not me. It helps me. Oh, well, let me be honest. Honestly, Moody, when I first was doing it, yes. Because I was just like, bro, this is just, I was just trying to understand it and trying to learn it until it just clicked for me. When it clicked for me is when I stopped trying to look at everything. I just started just looking for the strap patterns. Like I know how to read candlesticks. I know how to see patterns, identify them really quickly. You know what I'm saying? So it's just like I know how to anticipate it. So I had to stop doing that and just look at the here. I'll try to see if I can do it live.
He brings up a good question for me, man, because sometimes I'll look at the 10-minute and I use a TTM squeeze in Webull. And so if you look at the TTM squeeze, the 10 minutes going up, the 5 minutes going up, the 1 minute is going clearly down.
Like I don't know what's a TTM squeeze. Give me 1 second. I just need to grab a lighter. Keep talking. I can hear you though.
So he brings up a valid point in that I'm trying to figure out for myself. It's like, okay, if two indicators are saying it's going one direction and one saying it's going the other, so is one a scalp opportunity and the other one's a swing opportunity? So that's what I'm trying to figure out.
Yes and no, because you caught the psychology behind it. Obviously, if it's going down, you can short it, but I wouldn't, right? And then it depends on the stock. Like if it's Tesla, SPY, yes, absolutely, because a pullback on Tesla, SPY is going to be a few dollars. You know what I'm saying? Right. Or at least about $1 and some change. Because that's how it pulled. That's how it pulled. Look, I'm on TTD. This is a pull. This is like a corrective activity. This is not a pullback to me, right? Even though it's a 5 minute. It's staying on an uptrend. Yes. You know what I'm saying? Logically, like, look, let me
yeah, that's an uptrend. I can see that. Yeah.
It's just for anybody that can't see it. So, you know what I'm saying? Yes, that's a pullback. Yes, you would say that's a pullback, bounce off the uptrend. But to me, knowing the strat, that is not a pullback. That is corrective activity. That is TTO, right? That's what corrective activity on the strat world. That's why I say there's a lot of different things.
What's TTO mean?
Triangle day out. My bad.
TTO.
My bad. I didn't even think about that. Yeah, TTO means triangle day out. Triangle day out. Not day out. Is a PMG in force, basically. If you know what a PMG is, a triangle day out, day like THEY, because you're trying to stop somebody out there trade, right?
Got it.
Yeah. See how it clicked for you?
Yeah.
Show you this. Look. So this is a PMG basically right here, right?
Oh yeah.
It almost tried to triangle day out, right? So the triangle day outs look like triangles. It basically did though, but this one is a better example. They look like triangles. Triangle day out. So it's a PMG in force. Now that I did that, and on a 5 minute, if you learn this, you can trade this all day. It triangle day out all day. It's happening all day, like even on a smaller time, right? And they're just PMG in force, right? So this is how I'm gonna explain it real quick.
Whoa.
Yeah, I ain't never really talk about that or like teach that.
Whoa, that is change stuff right there.
My bad. Yeah, that's why I be like ask questions. So look, so this is corrective activity to me. Why is it? Because you have a PMG. Let me go ahead and get this tool right here. Where you at, little girl? Right there. You have.
Oh, hey, Moody. Quick question. So on the left side there, you got that big red candle that says 3, right?
This one?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So everything else is an inside candle, right?
Yeah, until it goes into this one right here.
Yeah, exactly. Right. Okay.
On a bigger time frame.
Got it. And then you're talking about triangle day out. So it comes back down to that 3 candle and then breaks out again.
It didn't go back to the 3 candle. It just triangle day out right here.
That's there.
What I'm talking about, right?
You know, so almost inside.
This one is almost a triangle day out, right? But it'll look more of a triangle day out All right, so look, check it out. It's just because I see it on a different time frame. This right here will be a triangle day out on like a 1 minute or a 3 minute chart. You feel me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see them more on those shorter time frames? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, you do. You do. I'm not saying that, but yeah, you do. What I was saying is that I couldn't. I had to explain it more on a 1 minute time frame because I seen it on a 5 minute, but I seen it like in hindsight, or not in hindsight, like just how my I see the chart. I saw that on a 1 minute, even though I was on a 5 minute. I don't know how to explain that. Is that weird?
So, question is then, it's on the other side as well, right? So it's on the downside or the upside.
What I can say is, yes, it's on a 1 minute. No, to your question at first when you said, oh, okay, so it happens more on a smaller time frame. It happens on every single time frame. It's just like the strat. Everything that the strat has happens on every single time frame. You just have to be able to identify with it. On a smaller time frame, the best way that I can explain that, right? Like this triangle day out right here, right? But it was just an upside down triangle day out. But on a smaller time frame, it just happens faster because it's a smaller time frame, right? I'm on a 1 minute. So,
that's what I was asking. Is upside down or the inverse?
Oh, it can be either way.
One way or the other. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, because it's a PMG enforced. You know what I'm saying? A PMG could go up or down. So let me explain that. That's what I was gonna draw out for you. Well, keep asking your questions, bro.
No, I like that because I was like, okay, so it can happen on both sides. And I get that now. That makes sense.
All right, watch this before I even do the little play back.
Are you on SPY?
TTD.
Or TT?
So boom. Oh, let's change these colors so we don't get confused. Let's put them all orange.
Where's your orange, man? Come on, man.
Yeah, there you go, baby. But I'm gonna just make them all orange, and I'm just getting the top of the wicks, right? That's gonna be your PMG to the upside. Like how we would have saw this is like, oh, matter of fact, here I'm on a replay. So boom, 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 boom. I don't need to show all these. I'm gonna just show this triangle day out first. I started seeing other stuff. Let's hit it from here. Watch how it triangle day out. Or let's hit it from here so you can see all this price action fall down. And I'm gonna leave all those candles there. Put that right here. And Moody, let's make this a little more interesting. Watch it hit all these targets right here. We're gonna make these targets purple.
You guys are so fast with your charts, man. Damn.
Boom. Now that we did that, now let's press play and watch it go up. Watch it take out all of these targets, right? Create you the PMG to the downside because it's gonna come. We're 2 up right now. I mean 2 down right now, right? But that 2 down has failed, right? But you still have the 2 1 2 bearish reversal. It doesn't matter that all these candles are green. You just got to understand this one went 2 up, this one is 1, this one went 2 down. That is a bearish reversal, even though it's a bullish flag, right? We can talk about patterns or strat, however you want to go with it, right? So long story short, once it did this, it's going to come take out each one of these targets, right? It's going to create you a PMG as it's falling down, just like when all these candles was falling down, creating these highs, boom, boom, it created a PMG, and these try to come take these PMGs out, right? It only took out this target. Now we're going to watch it play out. Watch it. Oh, let's make it go a little slower. We're on a 1 minute. All right. Let's watch magic happen, baby.
Because it's already happened.
Boom. Look at that. Boom, boom. Yeah, it's already happened, but I do this live too.
I know you do. I know you do. Us rookies are still trying to figure that out.
Look, boom.
Boom. Yeah.
I was going too slow. Let's make it speed up a little bit. Go take out your little seat. It don't matter that it jumped up, taking out your targets. 2 1, boom, 2. That's continuation. 2 1 2 reversal, right there. 3 bar, creating a broadening formation on a smaller time frame. Obviously, we can't go smaller. 3 1 2 reversal. Nope. Now it's 2 1 2 reversal. 2-1-2 to the downside still. Took out last target right here. Boom, 2-1-2 reversal. Take trick at 1, 2 up. Wait for the targets. Boom, 2 up, 2 up continuation. Right, 2 up continuation. Triangle day out. You see the PMG?
Yes,
One
sir.
take out all. We're just on a 1 minute chart. Pause it, Moody. Take it to a 3 minute.
And Jordan's already out.
Look, you see,
10%.
you see the PMG now? Look, and now it's a morning star right here. And this is how you trade this morning star. You wait for that 2 down. Boom. There you got your little baby. You take it right there at that break. Morning star. That's the PMG for 1 minute. Each your whole entire PMG.
You take that, you take it right at the top of the morning star?
Yep, right at the top of the morning star. Stop loss would be right at the bottom.
Damn, that's beautiful.
Entry, stop loss, boom. Morning star continuation to the top, right? Let's take it to a 5 minute now.
Have you watched this?
That's still a PMG, and it's one candle takes it all out. So it probably happened on a 7 minute chart. Probably happened on a 10 minute chart.
5 minute
candle takes it all out. It's just I'm on a smaller time frame seeing it, right? But where it really happened, the PMG was this bull flag right here, flag, boom. There you have one high right here, another high right here, another one right here. Look, see how I didn't get this one on a smaller time frame? That was purple, orange, and then you got another one right there. Almost hit that target. So look, let's start it over. Morning star still. Check it out.
Still.
2 down. Take it at the top of that hammer. Boom. One candle takes it all out. And then it just gave you the next candle to take out the last target. Now it's probably going to triangle day back out. Let's see. 2 down. You see the triangle day out? You see it? It just gave you another PMG to the downside. Let's rewind it so you could catch it.
Yeah, I saw it. Yeah.
You had a 2 up. Right there. 2 down. That's your PMG right there. 1 target, 2 target, 3 target, 4 target. Triangle day out. PMG in 4.
Damn.
Then it's gonna do it right back up. It's so
gonna catch a bottom and go back up.
It's just PMG. Boom, 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 boom.
You should watch Sarah's videos so you can go into a deeper rabbit hole, because she has all the topics on her YouTube channel.
You said what?
So I was telling him that he should go watch Sarah's YouTube channel, because then he can keep going more in depth on the different terms. And
Facts. Facts. Let me go to the chat. I don't know. Anybody asking something? No. Did Fry make it back? Yes. Gotta invite you to the yacht. Ooh.
Took off.
Yeah, that thing gone now. Yeah, that's how I get my targets.
Well, yeah. So you talked about morning, so I pick up your charts and I chart out all your levels.
That's why I put them up there. I'll be like, all right, so look, and I get them. Look how it's triangle day out again. You see it?
Yep, I see it.
Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. You just gotta wait for the right timing.
So Moody, do you take your targets based on percentage, or do you take your targets based on just get out when it hits a target?
Man, how truthful do you want me to get, bro? It really just depends.
I don't like, huh?
It really just depends how many contracts I buy, bro. It just depends how many contracts I buy. Like, that's why I like buying small account builders, where I can easily buy 100 contracts and be like, oh, 100 contracts only like 2 bands? Okay. Let's double up. Let's get fat here. But yeah, man. It just really all depends. But when I first started learning, and I became disciplined, it was always 20, 30%. And if my runners made more, I made more. But That's why I buy a lot of contracts, bro. Because I be pussy, man. I be scary sometimes. Like, I'm gonna just be honest. I hit a target and I'll be like, oh yes. I just don't trust the chart. I trust myself. I don't trust them, bro.
Yeah, I
You
feel
know?
it. That's what
Anything can happen. So it's just like that's what I do. You know what I mean? And it makes me feel comfortable. Like I say if I take half of my position and I take profits, and then the other half of my position goes to like 30%, negative 30%, I don't even trip. I don't even trip. I'd be like, I won. I
so
lost the other half, but you know what I'm saying 30% of it, but I won. You know what I'm saying? All I tell myself is like, I should have just took all my profits. You know what I'm saying? Let me be a better trimmer. You know what I'm saying? But then I got this guy Jordan around me. So, you know what I'm saying? We ain't trimming no bushes around here with Jordan. He ain't
so
taping, none of that.
So hey man, hey Jordan, another question. Or I mean,
You
Louis,
do the
another
same
question.
yard.
Sorry, dude. Sorry, man. Sorry, man. Hey, so one more question. Because triangle day out,
Brother, here, I'm gonna give you our class on it.
and let me ask you one more question because you didn't consider the RSI at all at that time.
No, I didn't. I
No,
was just looking at the
you're
fact.
just looking at the bars.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It just that's why I tell people it depends. Like I'm never gonna sit here and lie, bro.
It's gonna be about your size. I get that too, right? It's gonna be about your contracts. I get that too, also.
Mhm.
So, but that's what I'm trying to.
But I'm gonna be honest
I
with
think
you.
it's all feel,
Or
man.
with the
No, no,
market
I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm breaking down TDD for you, but I'm also breaking down TDD. And even though I went down to a smaller time frame, I had the mindset of swinging TDD. So I didn't look at my RSI like that. I just wanted to make sure we was on an uptrend on my RSI. Look, like I ain't. Look,
And I'll be honest with you today. I mean, we were in
that's
that
all I cared about.
live trading today, this morning, with Pastor, and we
Oh, that
entered
was
the
it. I be
trade.
talking. He don't be live. I don't live trade with him. I live trade with Jordan,
Yeah.
but I be talking with Pastor. Yeah.
Oh yeah, you were talking. Yeah. So I was on that call, and I was on that live trading, and everybody's talking about profits. And when I was losing money, and I couldn't figure it out because it's like, wait a minute, my trade's going the wrong direction. I don't know what you guys are looking at. So
Yeah. Dang, for real?
yeah,
What happened? What was it?
it was a SPY this morning.
I'm saying, did you go to this guy said make a toast? He said, "Hey, shake it off, shake it off, shake it." All right, that's Jordan tripping. I'm about to go pour me something, man. Stop playing with me. But
I think he called out the four. First, there was that big red bar early this morning.
yeah,
I think he called it. He made a call and then he made a put, and I was on the wrong side of both of those because they happened so quick.
yeah, I do remember. What I remember was he was gonna go for a call, and then he was like, "Nah, I'm switching to puts." Because it started going down or something, and then he took those, and then I remember him taking the call and saying that he was switching back to like, "All right, I'm switching back to calls." I remember that.
Yeah.
But bro, my days be fuzzy. I do so much, bro. Trust me, bro.
Yeah.
Like, you don't even know what happened in the last 4 hours. Like, no.
I hear you. I
But
hear you.
so long story short, bro. I forgot I was gonna tell you something. I lost my train of thought though. But oh yeah, with the RSI, I definitely didn't consider it, and that's I'm being honest with you, and it's just because I was swinging TDD, right? So I wasn't looking at a smaller time frame at all. Only time I looked at the chart, it was still on a bigger time frame. My pictures are probably on a bigger time frame too. I don't even remember if I even dropped it down to. I just wanted to show y'all my alerts, like, hey, look, I'm following the trade with y'all, and I'm in it. Don't worry about it. But long story short, I'm always gonna be checking my RSI, bro. That's like my baby. But to be honest with you, if I wake up and I just feel like shredding, and it's not that I tell myself I feel like shredding, it's like I look at the chart and I may be on a 1 minute and I just start seeing strat combos, and I'm like, oh, I'm about to take this 2-1-2 to the upside. Let's go. You know what I'm saying? And that's all. And I see the fact that we're at a support. Like I'll be looking like, Yeah, best thing I could do is like bring it to the chart.
Mm.
And it's like I hate doing this because this is cheating. To me, this is cheating.
No, it's a feel. You got the feel, man. It's like rolling the dice at the craps table. You got the feel.
Yeah, but in hindsight, it's so easy to say this was support and this is resistance and this is support.
Yeah, that's
It's
what
so
I'm talking
easy.
about.
It's so easy to do that. Like that's why you always see me try to talk over here and tell you what's gonna happen from here. Like from here, what I see that's gonna happen is gonna break. It's gonna bull flag. It's gonna break to the upside. Right? We need a break. And see, like the strat helps me with everything. This 15-minute candle opening, we need to break that, right? So that's what we really need to break, 74.58. Once we break 74.58, we will break 74.58, right? And if we don't, if it wants to come all the way down, it's just going to come down to support, right? And start playing down here, which the RSI is going to come back down to oversold around there, right? So they're going to buy it up. So all that's going to happen is going to give me a bigger move to the upside, right? Because it's like what Richard was saying once, not Richard, bless him, whoever that is, rich boy. I forgot his name, Luther. Luther, he was talking about, I could go to these 2 time frames and they're going up, but then I could, and you just said it too, and I can go to the 1 minute and it's going down. You know what I'm saying? But in all actuality, it's still going up. Yeah, because even though it's going down on a 1 minute, it's just a pullback. The 1 minute has to come down regardless, because anytime, like right here, look, anytime right here, at this point, it still ran, but look, it had to pull back. It just consolidated a little bit. Yeah, don't worry about the time. I just want to talk about the candles, right? Just consolidated, but it pulled back, bull flag, and broke out. Yeah, you could say double top or double top like on the candlesticks or whatnot, but it's the fact that the RSI is oversold. It's impossible for the RSI on the 1 minute to just keep running over like to the 90. You're not gonna see that. Like I've tested this out. Look, look how rare it is for it to go to 94. Look at the rarity. Look at when it did it again right here. And it's around earnings, pre-earnings, earnings. You keep
91.
you keep going back, you're not gonna see that like that, my man. Look, 80s is what you're gonna see. 84.
Yeah.
That's why I have
82.
mine at 75, because that's where it normally shorts at. You feel me? And I've tested. It's easy to test it too. You don't even got to go to like a website. I'm glad that Jourdan put me onto that and put everybody onto like those websites. But you can just go to the charts. The charts is not gonna lie to you. Right here, 80, 82. You go up here, and I'm looking at these down here. This bunch, 84. You go down here. Look, rarity, 90.
Overbought, oversold, overbought, oversold.
Yeah, overbought, oversold. Exactly. And on the 1 minute, all this is support and resistance. Once you understand that this is support, this is resistance and this is support. Once you understand that, now you start to understand that this is resistance overbought. The median is support. If you're staying above it, that's an uptrend if you stay above it. On a 1 minute, on any time frame, right? Now, when you understand that, you start to understand this is resistance and this is support. The median, if you're under it, this is resistance, this is support. And if you stay in between these two, you're on a downtrend on any time frame, right? So like here, let me pull up Bitcoin. Let's see what Bitcoin doing. BTUSD. We're gonna break this.
Oh, going to the coins. Here we go.
So how do you trust it though? Because I've looked at it like I changed.
I trust myself. But go ahead.
Let's go to XRP.
I looked at I use your RSI, like change it to 75, and I see that it actually does like really works though, and indicates. But I just don't know how like to actually trust that it's gonna stay like when it
You
looks
heard
like
what you just said there, my man? You heard what you said?
I don't know how to really trust it.
You want me to repeat it?
Yeah.
You said, yo, I tried your RSI thing, you know what I mean, your strategy. I forget your words, but you said that. And then you was like, and I seen, you listen to what you said. You said, I seen that it actually like works. But I don't know how to trust it.
No, I mean, so like, it'll be like kind of, cause I feel like it'll be relatively close to like the 50 line. Say it pushed through above it, but it's actually gonna pull down and retest it.
Mhm.
But I want to get in, but I don't know. Like, I don't be trusting it that it's gonna actually stay. It's actually gonna bounce off of that area.
All right, so look, there's another. I don't know if I said this before. Probably haven't, because I teach about the RSI. So look, this right here. All right, with it doing this on a 1 minute right now, this right here is a bearish divergent. I don't. That's what I see. I don't care what nobody tells me. That's just what I see. That's a bull flag, but that is a bearish divergent. When you start putting this with your candlesticks, my candlesticks are running up, my
That's
RSI is going down. Right. So I know for a fact we're going back to the median. It may take me a while to get back to the median. It could keep doing this for a minute and go bloop, bloop.
Bounce, bounce, bounce.
You know what I'm saying? And then finally come back down. Right. It just takes time. But what I know, I'm about to teach you. What I know is that this is going to come down to the 50%. But what I also know, look, just watch it. And how I said it could keep flagging up. Now, this is multiple time frame analysis, which are RSI. This trade still has time to still go over. So watch. I should really do it from a bigger to a smaller one, but it's just how I know how to explain it. All right, let's go to the 5 minute. 5 minutes shouldn't be up there. All these are gonna throw you off. Right here. You see this? 5 minute. How did I know that? It's just because I know how the RSI works. 5 minutes still has time to go over. So, right? How do we know that? Bouncing off of the RSI, right? Remember when I said if it stays over the median like this is an uptrend. This is support. This is resistance. Let's look at the candles. And I'm gonna explain all of this. Let's just give it time to do what I needed to do, right? Or wanted to do. I can't be talking to these candles like this. But all right, so look. All right, see, this was the downtrend right here. You see it on the candlesticks? Now I'm gonna take you over to the RSI. Watch this going up. This is when I be like, oh, we about to break median. You see this right here? It's just because I know we just came from a downtrend. That's the important part about knowing when you're gonna break the median back to the upside. It had to come down from oversold. Overbought. It has to come down from overbought, breaking the median, coming down. When it does that, it doesn't matter how choppy it does it. It just has to go from an uptrend back down to a downtrend. Once it does that, it always, my dude, watch your mouth, Moody. Always, my dude, is gonna go back up, right? So check it out. Once it comes down here, I'm gonna use the strat too for like a reversal to just hurry up and get in with my bars. But boom, we drop down, we start rising back up. Do. Dang, I keep forgetting about this. I got you, my man. Oh, y'all about to start learning for real with me. Woo, let's go to real live down. Wow. And look, I'm gonna do it on multiple time frame. All right, so we just dropped on a 5 minute. So look at it on a 3 minute. Oversold, right? Look at it on a 1 minute. Oversold. 1 minute starting to bounce. You see the 1 minute already trying to bounce with the green? All right, so let's watch this guy on a 1 minute. Oh, y'all about to learn. This is so fire. I love this replay shit. Hold on, let me get my lighting. Hold on. It's about to be epic. Please focus on this.
Bouncing off support.
All right, cool. Let's not, and if I start talking about the candles, remind me, Moody, only RSI. All right, so
RSI.
we're gonna press play. Watch the break. But we're gonna talk about the candles too. I'm sorry. Watch. Boom, boom. You see it going up? Just keep watching your RSI, bro. Keep watching your RSI. We drop. Boom. All right. That's how you start knowing. When you get that big pop, that's how you start knowing. And it's on a 1 minute, you're always gonna get that retest. Boom. You see that? This is why I tell, look, this is important. Stop it, Moody. This is why I tell people stay off the 1 minute if you don't understand it. Psychologically, you see how I'm saying, boom, we going up. Look at your RSI. Let the RSI guide you. You're gonna be watching these candlesticks and you are not gonna get in that trade. Or if you're in that trade, you're psychologically gonna psych yourself out and you're gonna get out. Why? Because you're seeing these red candles. And you're seeing like, oh, damn, we just broke. Damn, we just rejected. And you're gonna know when you're looking at these candles that this is a resistance. Once you start learning like supports and resistance, like you know that this is a support, you know that this is a resistance, you know that this is a resistance. Look how we failed resistance right there. That's how you know that's a resistance. You want to see how? Watch. Look at this line. It's called price action. Dang, I put it in the wrong place. Oh, I got my magnet on. That's why. Right there. Price action. Let's scroll back. Let's scroll back. Bounce off support to go up. If something bounce off support, ain't that resistance and past data? Let's go check it. Has to be. Look how it's bouncing off support, how I called it. Dang, I'm on a 1 minute. It's going to take me forever to do that, bro. Damn. No, there it is. You see it? Resistance. You see this resistance? Candles not being able to break back over it, going back down, coming back, breaking resistance. If it did this there, that means it broke out now. This was the breakout, retest, breakout, right? That means in the past, it's going to take me forever. Oh, no. Here you go. Wow. In the past, you can see where it was support, resistance, because it tried to go back up, couldn't go back up, and came back down, right? So my point is valid right there. Now let's take it back to the RSI, right? If I started losing anybody, just let me know. Let me delete this. Or should I leave it on there so you can see how it's going to reject it and then break it? Let's leave it on there. All right. So remember what I just said. This is why you don't want to do this on a 1 minute, but I'm going to show you how you do this on a 1 minute and you keep yourself on the trade. You let the 1 minute guide you. Now watch this. Let's bring this bad boy back over here when it first started bouncing. And this is what you do. You could use a 3 minute or a 5 minute. Let's see what the 5 minute look like. This is going to scare you. Remember when Moody said, yeah, I got to start learning how to buy on red candles to go back up and not let that scare you and sell on green candles? So check it out. The 5 minute, you could have just waited for your setup on the strat, or you could have just waited for this RSI to start turning over, right? Not the lag, because it lags. As this is going down, you will see your RSI go down.
Go eat, Jourdan.
Back up. Lag back up, right? So look, let's show the 3 minute. What does the 3 minute look like? The same thing, but now the 3 minute is wicking back up. Just like you see this pin bar start wicking up and then it reverses a little bit for you. So you see the bounce? Let's take it to the 1 minute so it could be logical, and I'm gonna take it to a bigger time frame. Watch the bounces. Drops. Bounce. You see one green candle. I'm gonna make you understand this. You see that one green candle? That's that wick right there that you're seeing. That's how you break down candlesticks, right? Soon as I see that wick, boom. See, I'm saying wick and I'm on a 1 minute because I'm thinking of the 3 minute. As soon as I see this green candle pop up, I'm knowing we're wicking up on a 3 minute. So when we're wicking up on a 3 minute and I have time, like my time is like counting down on a 1 minute, on a 2 minute, on a 3 minute, I'm looking for the closes too, right? Boom, this wicks up. I'm like, all right, bet this candle's about to close. That can be a morning star right there for me. If we keep going down, I'll wait, right? Because we're going to take the break of it. So let's go down. Let's let it play out on a 3 minute. Boom. We don't look how it goes down. Boom. It goes down. We wait. Boom. Let's go back to the 1 minute. Mind you, on a 3 minute, you see it go oversold. I didn't explain. I have explained this, but I didn't say it this time. Just like I said, support, resistance. Anytime you're under now these lines, that is your resistance. We don't have no support. That's like no man's land. I don't know where that's at, but that's going to be resistance. Every single time it'll try to reject that, come back down a little bit and go back up. Play. This time it just broke. But you'll see what I'm talking about. And that's the bounces that you'll, ooh, dang, I already did it up here. I ain't gonna be able to explain it on there. It's just how I see it. I can't teach that. But long story short, it just broke straight up. Sometimes it'll consolidate a little bit there. But that's why you see the wicks on the candles, and that's why you'll see a little bit of a like go up, a little curve. It's not just smacking up. Let me see if I can
Flattens out.
huh?
Sometimes it
Yeah.
flattens out.
Yeah, sometimes it flattens out. Like right here, it kind of still curved. Like you could tell, like it resisted it and then it finally broke it. Right. So hold on, let's bring this back down because I don't never trade my RSI like this. All right. Let's bring this up right here. All right, so cool. Morning star though, right? That's the morning star we was looking for right here. That didn't happen. They gave it to you on this one. Now let's go back to the 1 minute because we want to know about this 50-minute breakout. Did you know that this is going to fake you out? That's why I was trying to show you those bigger time frames, right? Because you'll see healthier, bigger bars. Press play. Watch the break on the RSI. It'll test it. You see testing. You see the lag? Oh my God. Let's do it again.
Yeah, I saw it. That's awesome.
You saw it? All right. Everybody pay attention because I'm going to do it one more time. You're going to see it. You're going to see it go test it. You're going to see it go test it. And this is when they say lagging indicators. You're going to see the RSI lag back. That's what it means. Watch it. Test, lag.
Oh.
You see how it came back? That was the lag, breakout. It kind of flattens out. You see it? Once you see it do this, watch. Even though it did that, it's going to break out. You could just wait for the retest. Sometimes I catch this one. Don't get scared. Why? Because it's going up now. And that's just the test of your 50 mark. Let's just watch it. I ain't scared.
Flat.
Boom. There you go. And I just want to show you that you see it just sometimes it'll take time. Look how it'll retest. You see how it just tested right there? Look how it tested right there. But this time it's finding better testers. Just watch it. Now it's becoming a breakout trade. Because you could have caught it from support and had all that profit. Just watch it. If it's doing that right now in a 1 minute, check out the 3 minute. Once you see, even though when it did it right here, you could have did this too. I just was not thinking about it. 3 minute, you see how it come in the test. You're just gonna see the lag more on a 3 minute, right?
Yeah, right.
Go back to a 1 minute. Break. Once it breaks for real, the 1 minute, right there. 3 minute is now testing or broke it. Testing it. It hasn't tested like completely, but it's basically testing it. Watch this. And this is what I'm doing. I'll be going back and forth like, all right, are we holding it now? Are we breaking on a 3 minute? If we break on a 3 minute, we out of here. Breaking on a 3 minute right there. And that's just one candlestick. Boom, go to 3 minute. Look, testing. Okay, we ain't break yet. Hold on. I'm going to show it to you. Boom. Let me get one more candle. Oh, I don't want that candle. Let's see what happened on a 3 minute. It pushed it back. It's still lagging right there, right? That is trying to break out. You see the breakout right there? All right. So remember, every one candle on my 1 minute, I need I need 3 candles for one new candle on my 3 minute. Boom. 3-2-2 reversal. There we go. One inside. Let's break. It's going back to test because it's over the median now. But notice how your candles will only go higher because you're over the median. Notice that. It doesn't matter how many times it comes back down here. It's just going to keep going higher and higher.
Over.
This is your breakout right here. You could use this as an entry. Boom, just test your entry. At your entry. If we just, oh, dang, man, I forgot to go back to the 3 minute because we've been broke the 3 minute. Look, you see how it's breaking now? Hold on, let's go back so you can watch the 3 minute break. Let me make sure where it's at. Right here, testing it. You see how it's testing on the 3 minute? Bull flag. That's your pole, that's your flag, that's your breakout. Even if it wants to consolidate, it's still flagging there, right? So let's go back to the 1 minute. Boom, one candle. Let's see what it's doing. Did it give it a new candle yet? Broke out some more. You see that 3 bar? That's what we was looking at. That bull flag now broke out. You see the bull flag more? Let me draw it out for anybody that can't see it.
I can say.
Oh, I know you can, bro. Hole, right? This yellow bar right here, and this is gonna be your flag, and that's your breakout right there, right? So,
God bless America right there.
bro, I love you. You guys, yeah, your energy, bro. The God bless America right there. But all right, so look, boom, and you see it's still flagging right here. You can see your pole here. So, but your no, that's your pole. Let's go ahead and hit it one more time. Boom, new candle. 3 white soldiers. Now it's a real breakout in 3 minutes. Oh, it's still on the two bar. My bad. I forgot I need three bars.
Damn.
Boom, broke out. I forgot to look at the RSI. Ben broke out. Look, breaking out on the RSI. If it's doing this on a 3 minute, and you still like say, let's just say, dang man, Moody was right. You know what? Dang man, I'm getting FOMO. You know what? I'm gonna jump in. You know what you do? You could jump in, or you could just say, hold on. Moody also said just take it. If it's happening on a 1 minute and it's over, now on an uptrend on a 1 minute and it's breaking on a 3 minute, it is testing the 5 minute breakout. Whenever you catch these on a bigger time frame, it's gonna hit harder. Look at the 5 minute. Testing. It's still the same thing. And you can literally do this on the time frame that I'm telling you, right? Now, don't jump too far and get confused. I'm gonna show you what the 15 minute doing, but don't get confused.
I was wondering about the 10 minute.
Look how low the 15 minute is. So whenever you see your 5 minute breakout, whenever you see the 5 minute breakout and it's up here, the RSI, guess where your 15 minutes at?
Lower.
Median. I'm gonna show you that in a second. I'm gonna just let it play out. Remember what I said, on a 5 minute, it'll be up there. So on a 15 minute, it'll be right here on your median, ready to break out again, right? So, and it just depends on the traders that's trading the time frames. That's what I tell myself in my head, like, dang, why does it take so long to break out sometimes? It's because it broke out already on these time frames, but I'm gonna show you the trick. Let's go back to the 1 minute. Remember, we're testing 5 minute. We're gonna go back to 5 minute in a second when it breaks out. We're testing the 5 minute break. We've broken the 50 on a 3 minute, right? We're over with this guy brushing his teeth.
That's the 1 minute.
We're over on the 1 minute and also bouncing, right? We're over and we're also bouncing off the 50, even if it's not getting to the 50, bouncing near it and going higher. And that's why I said, as long as it stays over, your candlesticks go higher and higher and higher. Now let's go ahead and watch out what I just said play out. 1 minute, pushed up some more. Let's go. Keep going. I'm gonna show it to you in a second. Bow. 3 minute, definitely broke out. You see that? Boom, definitely breaking out more. 5 minute, testing or poking out some more. Testing. So watch this. 1 minute, watch when it goes over. So I just want to say it. Let me go look at it. It's gonna when the 1 minute goes over. Oh, I'm sorry, I said it wrong. When 1 minute goes overbought, the 3 minute is gonna not be overbought. It's gonna be closer to getting overbought. It's gonna be broken out some more, but your 5 minute has now broken out because your 1 minute is overbought. And this is how people get faked out if they're using this 50 thing that I'm teaching them. Because once the 1 minute is overbought, right, it has to pull back. So if it pull back, this lags. It's just testing, but it's gonna break out. And I'm gonna show you how. Go back to the 1 minute. Pull back, that's healthy. If you ever see that on a 1 minute and you're up there, that is healthy. After after coming from support, breakout, testing, breakout, testing, breakout, going over. So check this out. That's healthy. Anytime you see a pullback and you're in an uptrend on a 1 minute, that is healthy to go up higher. Why? Because remember what Moody says, as long as you're over, like starting from here, look at your candlestick, starting from here, as long as you're over the 50 mark, you're on an uptrend now, and your RSI is going to wiggle, but your candlesticks go higher and higher and higher. I tested it. It's going to do it. Watch. Boom. You see that? I said that's healthy, right? You see how hard it came down? Look at your candlestick. It's barely going down. Why? Because you're on an uptrend. So watch this. It's just lagging now. And you're still by the red line. Look at your candles though. It don't matter that you're going down. You still by this red line. Breakout. You just gave me a chance to go higher. Now I'm gonna go even higher. Look, you see that? That's critical to know. That shit is fucking right. Let me bring it back. You see how I keep telling you? It don't matter that you're seeing these red candles. They're gonna fake you out. Don't jump out your trade. You're on an uptrend. This is vital information. Watch this. Watch how the RSI, just pay attention to how your RSI goes down, but your candlesticks, since you're on an uptrend, your candlestick stays right by your breakout, right? It just pulls back, comes back, pulls back, comes back, but it don't pull back like coming down, right? And now I'm gonna take you to a bit bigger time frame so you see the breakout. Pull back, you see that? That's healthy. You would have got scared out your trade. Oh man, it's gonna reverse. No,
Yeah, I'm
you're
done.
right. Look at your 3 minute. Coming back to test. You see that breakout? Breakout, testing to break out some more. Watch this. 5 minute lagged. Or just it bounced. Not bounced, I'm sorry. Rejected, right? Because that's your resistance right now. It rejected it, and all it's doing is just rejecting a little bit to break out inside bar, right? Let's go back to the 1 minute. Watch that 5 minute breakout so lovely. Boom. Let's go look at them again now. 3 minute. You see that bounce? Now it's going up. First it was going down. Now it's going back up. Bull flagging again. This is all this is right here. Let me draw it out for you. Pole, flag. That's all that is. It's just you got to understand you're on a smaller time frame. You're not going to see them with huge candles like you normally see them, right? But if you make your candles bigger like this, you automatically see it.
Yeah.
Flag, pole, flag, right? So watch this. 3 minute bounce. Take you to 5 minute. Oh, we're only working the 1 minute, the 2 minute, the 1 minute, the 3 minute, and the 5 minute, right? Reason I'm working now the 2 minute, 4 minute, the 6 minute, right? So look at the 5 minute. Remember when it just rejected and it came down? Look at the breakout. Bull flags. You still seeing them on the same time frames. I mean, on these different time frames, right? Boom. Same thing. You see it from the bottom, from support, crawling up. Boom. Right? This is when I start getting wicked with myself and be like, shoulder. Let me draw it out because I don't be telling people this. Shoulder, head, shoulder, bull flags, right? Because it's just like that's what creates them, like the bearish flag. You know what I'm saying? A bull flag breakout. I don't know. I'm retarded. Don't worry about me.
No, it's all good, man. That's good stuff right there.
So let's go back to the 1 minute and watch this thing work. Now, watch me go over so and watch this thing break out even more. Boom, watch the test. I just want to show it to you on every time frame. Look, still pushing up, 5 minutes, still pushing up, right? Watch this. 1 minute, go back. See the test to the RSI?
Yep.
You saw it, right?
Yep, I saw it. Just dipped and went back up.
Okay, you remember, watch this. This is so lovely. Remember when we was at the RSI right here testing it? Look at the price. We were right here testing it. Where else? Right here testing it. But the price was down, right? It's rejecting. So the candles are going down. Watch the breakout. This is where we break out. That's the RSI breakout, right? Oh, yeah, I'll leave it right here. This 2 up. We're testing the RSI again. You've seen it tested. I'm going to rewind it, but you've seen it tested. but we were right here at the 50 mark of the RSI. Now it's right here. Like I don't know how to break that down. Does that make sense?
Oh yeah.
Higher lows. Like you don't even got to try to see it off of the RSI or anything. You can obviously see it. Like you see this low right here, right? That's that part of the RSI. You see this low right here at the RSI. That's this low. I'm sorry, the red candle. It's just higher lows. That's the best way I could explain that. But I'll just be like, man, that's dope. All right, I'm getting in. So now that we've seen that, let's go ahead and watch it again. I know this is taking forever. I'm sorry.
We learning.
So boom. I'm gonna just let it do it. Boom. All right, watch this. Go to 3 minute. Mwah. Bounce. Breakout. Uptrend. This is why I'm getting excited. Why? Because what did Moody say? If we're over the RSI, if we're over the 50 mark of the RSI, we're on an uptrend. So you now just told me that my 1 minute is on an uptrend. So my bulls are in a 1 minute. My bulls are in a 3 minute. Okay. So my bulls are in a 5 minute. Let's keep playing then. Let me go check out 15 minute. I still got time to get rejected at the 50 because this means we're on a downtrend, right? Boom. And then you go back down, right? That's how I start looking. That's how I'll be looking at everything. And I'll be like, oh, I got time. If you go to a bigger time frame, you'd be like 30 minutes, you'd be like, oh my gosh, I definitely got time. The reversal just literally happened. You go to the hour, reversal literally is happening to 1. Right? But you're not going to catch all that I'm saying off the RSI because it's just too big. I mean, it's too big of a time frame, right? Like, look at how many, you only get 7 bars. So it's not even, look.
It's not going to pick it up. So
yeah, it's not
more time.
You're not going to have that much time to like use it as support and resistance and all of that nature, right? So we'll take it back to a 1 minute, watch it go over so for me already so we can show them this. I mean, overbought, don't go over so. All that is healthy. Them little pullbacks like that, you see how I keep telling you that? That's healthy. People will keep getting scared out their trade because they think it's going down, right? But you're coming from the bottom to the top. Once you go from the top and you go over bought and it starts doing that, get out your trade. Why? Because now that's a bearish divergent. First, it was giving you a bullish divergent, right? So, and you see all the little pullbacks, is still taking close to the 50% of the 50 mark of the RSI, but it's not bringing your price down lower. For real. It's just taking it higher. So stay in the trade. So watch. Now you over your line. This is why I be loving my lines. And then my RSI just helps me even more. Like, oh my God, I got time to run. Watch. Test your line. Watch how it comes test. Boom. That's your 50. Watch when it comes to 50. Bye-bye.
Boom.
It's just beautiful. Watch the break back up. It's just beautiful because you're coming from a downtrend. If it breaks back up, remember, I'm not watching this. This is Bitcoin. I'm not watching this right now, even though I'm going to a playback. This is beautiful. It doesn't matter that all this is beautiful. If it stays on this RSI, the 50 mark, and it's just going to go up. Now that it broke back up, it's just going to go up. I promise you. Well, let me not promise because it can do whatever it wants to do. Boom. Now we're breaking. We don't want to break. Oh, dang, I should be showing you this on a different time frame. While it's doing all of that, all it's doing is bouncing off of this. It's just testing, right? Look at your 5 minute. All that movement, testing. It's just lagging. It's testing. It's testing your 5 minute really to break because your 7 minutes probably testing. See? Breaking actually. That's why I have a 7 minute chart. You get me?
I got it, man. I got it.
10 minutes.
So
it's
good.
Like, I gotta wait. I'm like, golly, man. You feel me? So I gotta break these time frames up because I don't want to use the time frames that they want me to trade on or that the normal person learns to trade on. I want my own special way. Look, more bull flags, pole flag breakout on a 7 minute. Boom, let's go to the 1 minute. You see that? And look, the 1 minute, that's so dope. See how the 1 minute is just because your RSI and your 1 minute went so high already, that is not going to bring down the 5 minute, the 7 minute. It's just going to play at the RSI. Why? Because as long as you're over and you was over for a while, bouncing, as long as you go down and you keep going up, go down and keep going up, is bringing your price higher and higher and higher. So obviously, if it's going higher on a 1 minute time frame, it's going higher on a 3 minute time frame. It's going higher on a 5 minute time frame. So if your RSI lands on top of this, and this then came down, bro, it's just ready to break out again. Look, it's still doing. Now this is what you do. Once it starts doing this and you start getting a little faked out and you're like, man, I don't know if it's gonna break out again, get off of that time frame. You go back in a second, use the 3 minute or use the 5 minute, because you're gonna see the same thing. Watch. Use the 5 minute. Watch how it's gonna do it. Test, breakout, uptrend. You see it?
Yep, I saw it.
And it's just gonna keep going until the 5 minute goes oversold. And the only thing happened here is that the 3 minute probably went, I'm saying oversold, I'm sorry. Y'all know what I mean, overbought, right? And look at the 1 minute. It's just plain freaky. Just, but your 5 minute now broke out. It's doing what I showed you on your 1 minute, right? So that's all you do. That's why I say multiple time frame analysis. And now watch, I'll just press play, comes back to test, breaks out more. It's gonna, once it goes over this, it's gonna want to go overbought. Bulls are like, nah, bro, we got to take this back. That's just a pullback. Just watch it. That's just a pullback. And look, if it did that, that means it went oversold on the 1 minute. Or almost, you see? Dang, almost did it. You see it? Like right here. It just didn't go. When I say oversold, it's oversold to you. To me, it's not oversold. Because I use 25. Where's this at? 33. Most people using 30, right? 30 is right down here. That's basically right there at oversold. That's where I used to have mine at, right? So let's go back to the 5 minute. All it's doing is bull flagging again on the 1 minute, left you a target, gave you a hint. We're coming back to come get you. We're gonna stop you out because you shorted us. This means when you see this wick, if I'm a bull and I want to go take them out, how I'm thinking about it is like, you shorted me. You try to rob me, my dude. I'm coming back for you because you shorted me down and stopped me out my trade. Now I'm about to go back and stop you out. You want to see? Why? We ain't gonna take it to the 5 minute because the 1 minute got mad. So he like, all right, let's play games. Triangle day out maybe, but we're gonna come back and get you. Gravestone. I mean, sorry, Dragonfly. I say Gravestone. Come back to test the RSI. Oh, I'm sorry, not RSI, but the 50 mark. Not 50 mark, but it's because that's what I use for my 50 mark. The support line gave me a target right here to trail me back up. You see that one right there? It missed it. That one is gonna come back for them. They just gotta fake you out. And if you're on a 1 minute, that's why you're getting faked out. On a 5 minute, 3 minute, all this, you're not seeing all of this. You're seeing one candle at a time. Or you're seeing his wicks. Well, dang.
Whoa.
That was that PMG it just took out. That low, these lows. Now it's coming back. All it's doing is creating a PMG. You see it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you got another one right here. 5. Just wait for it. You thought that one was dope. Watch the one that they give you next. Look, another one right there. Boom, boom. Here it goes. Just found support. Boom. Boom. Breaking the RSI, coming back to test. Oh, it's going to do it. There we go. That's how you got to find them, not red. Don't make me look bad.
Consolidation.
There we go. There we go. I told you, don't make me look bad. You always go up after that. Boom. There we go. That's that target. That's that target. Let's go back. Found some more support right there. And it's because I read it off of that wick. Let's go. I'm going to test that. Coming to test it. Broke down over it. Wick back up. Price action. Coming back to test the 15-minute opening price. Let's see if we break it. We'll come back. Wick rejection. Came with it. Morning star. Evening star. Boom. PMG. didn't take it out, rejection, coming back to the 60. We got a new 15-minute rejection, came back to break the 15-minute. This is why I love the strat. It's just telling me everything on a 5-minute. Found support on a 15-minute. Wicked. Let's go.
What?
15-minute, found support on the 60-minute. Let's go. This is just a small time frame. Found more support on the 60-minute. All right, trying to test it. It's testing. 2 down. All right. Let's see if the bulls are gonna bring it back up after that. Okay, on a downtrend. I couldn't read it that quick. I'm sorry, I say it that quick. Is a not gravestone, dragonfly, PMG. You see, it's just it's just getting higher and higher off of the support. It keeps testing the support. That means it's getting weaker. You see this RSI, I took my eye off of it. It's about to flood, it's flushing. Let's get this reversal back. Let's come test this RSI again. Let's just watch it. You're gonna watch this breakout. All this is consolidation. Look, take you to the like a 5-minute. Look at the consolidation. You see that?
Yep.
That's all consolidation. Take you to a 7-minute. You're still trying to go on an uptrend. You see that from support? All that's consolidation. It's just trying to trick people out their trade. But the thing is, if you're trading Bitcoin, you don't got to worry about no theta, no time decay, right? Take it back to the 1 minute. You just got to wait for your trade to plan out. Just don't get scared. Have enough. You got to have enough capital so they don't try to liquidate you either.
Go ahead, give me that head and shoulders on the 5.
Jordan, still with us.
You know I am, man.
Yeah.
Hey, give me the HS on the 5, bro. I want it.
Let me see. You reading it off the 1 minute?
Nah, I looked at it when you pulled up the 5. It was off that wick.
Okay, I felt like I
head.
was trying to make me see like that head, shoulder. I feel like I'm trying to see that.
Uh-huh.
It's coming right now.
Yeah, it's beautiful. You see it beautifully.
I don't know if it's gonna play out though.
I see this one. I see this one I rejected. Shoulder, head, shoulder, came back down. Oh no, it didn't reject. I'm sorry. Came to support neckline, broke neckline, came back down. Inverted head and shoulder, shoulder, head, shoulder. Boom.
I was looking at both.
That's a little PMG. I just want you to see this explosion. This thing about to rock. It just be trying to aggregate. And this is what I mean by aggregating. Price is going up, but it's just aggregating. Let's speed it up. Boom, PMG. Look at that. Nice bull flat PMG. Wow, broke it. Double top. These are triangle day outs too, bro. Like,
yeah, I see him.
All that are triangle day outs, triangle day outs. Boom, let's go. I told you it's gonna come back for that wick. They always leave you a hint. Boom, you see it? Wow, took him out. Let's go.
Yeah.
But I know it's gonna do it. Obviously, it's hindsight, and you know where Bitcoin's price is at now. But you just being able to see that, you'll start understanding, okay, it's gonna happen again. That's gonna happen again. And see, look, this is gonna be like a new support right here.
Right there at that top.
That'll be a test. Some people will put it up here. That'll be like a test, like a bounce. But that's just gonna be a bounce to see, because that's not enough price action. It lost its volume there. There's a lot of price action right here, a lot of resistance. Trying to go up there, missing it, trying to go up there, hit it, double top, came back down, finally broke out. So whenever it wants to come down again, it'll come test this, but it'll most likely come to this one. Let's speed it up.
It's gonna come back to the 23.9, 1985. Oh my God.
That thing rocking. Look, it's on an uptrend, that's why. Uptrend. Doesn't matter if it comes down here. If it stays up, and keeps bouncing from there, you're good.
That's bouncing off that 50.
Yeah, if
Yeah.
it bounces off the 50, you're good. Once it breaks the 50, it goes on this downtrend unless it consolidates how it's doing to just break back over. Like how it tried to do like there.
Yeah, it didn't take long.
Sometimes
to
it fails
consolidate.
though. You see how it's failing? A lot of times that
Yeah.
fails. I like to catch it from the bottom to go up. Or I like to catch it from the top to go down. Because that's just how I train myself to do it. But it can do this and it'll do this a lot of times. And it just takes price right back up. But if I stop it now, you'll see the breakouts on these going to the top, like boom, and just coming right back down.
Man,
You'll see it just be slow.
that's some good one-on-one training. Where's everybody at?
Oh man, yeah, I don't know. Hopefully they not sleeping, they learning. Hopefully.
No, we eating.
She said we eating. Let me go to the chat. Dang, y'all blew up the chat. Yeah, Jordan probably in here rocking with y'all.
I should have hold down the chat for you, man. I'm bad.
Nah, bro. Yeah, but nah.
That was good,
Jordan
man.
left? Nah, Jordan in the background. Okay, he's somewhere in there. But yeah, y'all got any questions?
That was good. Thanks, Moody.
Yeah, you're welcome, bro. Did it really help you out, man?
Oh, tremendously, man. That was awesome.
What's up, man? How y'all living, man? Y'all got no questions? Oh gosh. I'm gonna put my blood down. Boy, you want to put the beanie on with the shade? You trying to go to sleep and stay like that so nobody can know?
Fall asleep like that.
You know what I'm saying? Put the shade on. How y'all living? Let me see. Let me scroll this up. Najee? How do I say your name? She over there eating.
Nausea. I'm tearing up this chicken off right up.
Long life, she's smashing that mug.
You
And
said
then I got this big old snickerdoodle. Oh my God.
oh, look, you see how she rolled back on the chair, snickerdoodle? Oh my God.
She said, you're gonna see this cookie.
You gotta see this.
Cookie.
A whole cookie. I got a chocolate chip cookie.
Listen, you guys have to try this. It's like from Tropical Smoothie. They have the best, softest snickerdoodle. I swear I'm a fat girl. I'm so sorry. Ooh, Lord, it's so good. I'm sorry.
I feel you. They call me the cookie monster. I love cookies.
What? Oh my God.
I
That's
love
my
cookies.
weakness.
I'm trying to tell you, I stopped drinking milk, so I used to dump it with milk. I used to love milk at one point because I used to.
Oh, milk make me gassy.
Man, you're not supposed to drink. It's not good for you. You know what I'm saying? But
I normally have my camera off, but I don't know what the hell made me turn the camera on. But I'm pigging out. I am so sorry. This is my lunchtime. I'm at work.
It's vibes. Vibes. It's all good, man. So yeah, man. What time is it?
3.
Oh, it's 3? Oh, damn, it's 3. Damn, it's
midnight, man. It's midnight.
When my mom be like, it's 3, I automatically be like, damn, it's almost 4 o'clock.
West Coast style, bro.
The
West
market
Coast.
must open.
Only reason we not in trouble because Lauren's still on. Once Lauren log off, we all in trouble.
That's a fact, though. Hold on, you gotta watch Lauren. She got her phone in her hand? No, she don't. I said she texting Jordan right now. Oh, let me not tell her. Like I'm trying to tell you, hey, I better be low. I don't see her other hand. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. But this is what we do, man. We just do it.
That's why I love this group, man. We just go long. Friday nights. Friday night lights.
Hey, hold on. I'm finna go get my cookies so I can be
Look,
like,
bro.
man, hold on one second.
You need your
I'm gonna be
snickerdoodle?
real.
Need some snickerdoodles?
Nah, there ain't finna be no sticking to it. Nah, I tell you that for sure.
I'm gonna be
Chocolate chip. Chocolate chip.
My God.
I rock with y'all. I noticed that today. You know what I'm saying? Of course I rock with everybody like Jordan and everybody, but I rock with y'all. Like, for real. Lauren, you feel me? I rock with them, bro. I'm gonna just like I just came from the hospital.
Yeah, no, I feel you.
You feel me?
No, I do.
Like my wife just got bit up like by a dog. It's just crazy, man. Life, things just happen so quick. Man,
Mm-hmm.
they had me stranded. Well, I said not stranded. They had me hostage at that hospital. I was there for like 6 hours or something. It was
Bruh.
stressful. It was stressful. And I asked the nurse, like, yo, how long am I gonna be here? Look, I'm human. Just don't lie to me. It's okay. I'm just trying to see if I can run home, come back. I ain't trying to tell you I'm trying to go smoke. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Can you just tell me the truth? She like, so this family just got here, and I ain't gonna say there's a whole bunch of negative stuff. And I'm like, bro, I just asked you to let me know how long it's gonna be. So I was like, after she told me her whole story, I'm just like, so it's gonna be a long time? She's like, yeah. And you couldn't just
Oh.
right? Jesus Christ, let me go get my wife some food.
Mm.
But yeah. But we here and we at MSC. You feel me? And we making it happen. We doing what we gotta do. You learning about the RSI. You know what I'm saying? Moody don't got much to teach. I don't got much to teach, but the candlesticks and the RSI, I don't know nothing. I'm trying to tell you. But that's how I stay humble, bro. I ain't gonna lie, because I know homie was like, nah, Patrick was like, give yourself credit, bro. I give myself, I be patting myself in the back, like, Moody, you do your thing, but I think it's always good to know that even if you dope at something, there's so much more to learn. So I don't know, I just keep that mindset.
You gotta be able to take your own flowers to be giving out, bro. You can't hand everybody all the flowers and then just like, all right, I'm gonna take a petal here and a petal there. No, take the whole flower, man.
Mm-hmm.
That's real. Right.
Mm-hmm.
That's real.
You
That's
feeling
real.
my boat?
I like the
Filling my cup
flower.
tonight. Thanks, man. Thanks, man. You filling my boat.
No, absolutely, bro. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it.
Teaching a man how to fish.
That's the whole plan. You see the ocean in the back? I'm just trying.
Sitting on that nice beach.
Nah, I'm in my office, bro. I'm in my office. Look.
Hey, you just have a dope background.
Yeah, I just like my background. Hopefully this thing don't start going slow. My thing be going slow every time I start messing with my camera. I be just doing too much. It's just a window behind me, a curtain. I'm sitting in a brown chair. I'm just in an office. See? I'm just
Harvard grad. Harvard grad.
Brown in my room. And I got crystals everywhere. You know, I got a salt lamp right here.
On brand.
I got books right here. You know, like, yeah, I was just saying.
Moody, you still gotta send me my book now.
Oh yeah, you never send me your. How can I send you your book and you're sending me your?
No, because I'm not your friend, so I sent you my PO box. So I'll resend it.
Yeah, you gotta send that. You gotta send that. Yeah, I'll send it to you. Ain't no thing. Look, the extra copy right here. I got my copy right here. I already gave one out, but I got you. I got extra copy right here. Yeah, man. You know, it's like what this book does. It says, you see, I just follow what the books teach me.
Oh, yeah.
It's the little things, you know.
Well, you got Chips Ahoy.
You know. Hey, I got some books up here. I just don't want to put out like I don't know, but I got some good books around here. I mean that you could learn from. But yeah, man, it's just Moody. There's nothing special about me. I'm regular just like you know. T-shirt. just like you. You know what I mean? I think I got this from TJ Maxx. It was like $7. I love this t-shirt. I hate when it get dirty. I'm like, dang, I can't wear it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. Let's go back to space, y'all. Y'all want to see Moody in space? I'm saying we could do the green. I be on that green. You know, we could do the green. Ooh, did this one move? Hold on.
It
See, we
should.
about to try out. You said what?
It should move.
I'm trying another one. It's taking forever
Team
to.
Cookie.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know why it's not moving. I think this one's because like it's the.
Damn. That man gone. Oh.
Nah, I'll be back. I'll be back. I be freezing. I don't know. It's doing something. I'll be back. No, I be glitching. I be in the matrix for real. For real.
All right, bro.
You know.
Cocaine is a hell of a drug.
Why Moody said he be freezing? That means he disappeared. What the world, bro?
Went to find his blanket.
Man, I guess, bro. Let me pop back. Oh,
Oh, here we go.
because I was showing y'all Bitcoin earlier. Oh, it did come and hit my my second profit target. Look at that. I did this live while we was on the Zoom a minute ago. Well, an hour or two ago. But see Moody, Lauren, and Jay in 10 days. Yeah, MK, that's for sure, bro. I'm gonna be out that way, Brody. Yeah, what I was looking at with crypto though, yeah, is a lot of stuff is breaking out of this monthly inside months. So Ethereum breaking out of its inside month, Bitcoin. And September is usually an off month for the stock market. Doesn't mean that it has to be an off month for crypto necessarily, but you know, it is what it is. So Bitcoin breaking out of its inside month. So there's a lot of opportunity, it looks like right now with crypto to see them continue and retest those May highs. All right. So some of them you'll see have already started to make that move. You know, you see like Matic. Matic isn't even inside. Matic kept coming down and then popped back up, and now it's about to come back to retest. All right. Whereas Bitcoin did form an inside month, broke above it. So now your target for the 212 is up here at 32,000, which will give us from our current level about a 30% move, which you will be looking for in this bar. So that would mean that Bitcoin would need to go up another 30% this month for it to make that pattern happen this month. And it might not, you know, it still be a 212 and not fully hit it because we might get stopped at the 50% retracement on that candle.
Did I just hear 212?
Nah.
I say he didn't fall asleep.
I just heard 2-1-2 with no numbers.
I don't need the numbers on the screen, bro. You don't need no numbers on your screen either, bro.
I heard 2-1-2 with no numbers. Where
But
the indicators at, bro?
honestly, bro, let me take this off. This is all I've been needing right here. Just I don't even need this, but it just make life easy.
You just made life easy.
Mm-hmm.
I like that.
But so we might come. That's where we at right now. So I was talking about that 50%,
Let's go.
and that's what we're testing right now. Look like
That's
I'll make that line. I'll change the color of this yellow line. Make it white. All right. So that's 266.4. So 266.
Yo, he just picked it up right. I love this. I love this.
So we might not make the full 2-1-2 happen immediately.
Oh my God, bro. Why are you doing this, Jordan?
Cause bro, it's what we do, man.
Why are you doing this? Now you're gonna make me want to go chart for real. You see how I kept saying like I don't like talking about past data because that's so easy. And he's just gonna go, let me talk about this live data real quick since Moody
All right,
is.
bro. Yo, oh, you missed it, bro. So I hop back on that 1 minute chart. We hop back on that 1 minute chart that I was marking up earlier. And Bitcoin came and hit my target for take profit number 2.
Golly. Let's go. Let's trade it. Let's go. Let me see the chart. Let me trade your chart.
I already did, bro. I'm done. I'm done, bro. I did it all over here. You want me to do it again?
Let me see what I think is gonna happen. We're getting some higher lows. We're gonna trend up. Yeah. Show me some. Well, I might come take out that PMG right there. Go to 15 minute. What the 15 minute looking like?
You gotta go to the 10 and the 7.
You feel me? 15.
Mm.
Yeah, I like it. I'll go to the upside. It's just pulling back. The 15 just showed us that with the pin bar. It's just a pullback. Them big red candles gonna scurry you. Or what you gonna do, the bear flag?
Mm-hmm.
Oh man, now you're gonna make me get all bearish.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Take it to the 1 minute. Let's see how it look. I think it's gonna bounce off your channel. Let's see. Let me see.
Yeah.
I think as well. I got a nice support there. It's that price action right there with that first breakout. Oh, you can't see mine. Can I draw on the chart? Let me try.
That's a nice flag. God bless America right there.
See, look at that bounce. I told you. Look at that bounce. Stop playing with me. Don't you lose volume, baby. Look, we're not on my chart. You're on Jordan's chart, but you still got to respect what we talk. Come on. We have something together. You know what I'm saying? We ain't doing all this. We don't cheat.
She for everybody, bro.
Hey, chill out.
She for everybody, bro.
Chill out.
So we got the bear flag.
I hate you, Jordan.
Come on, break.
Damn, it took that whole PMG.
Yeah.
Don't worry, it's gonna bounce. Just let it take that PMG. It's gonna bounce.
Yeah, eat up all
you got to this candy
the
close.
Come on. Go ahead and get this. Go ahead and get this wick over here. Go ahead and get this wick over here.
I don't care. You only got 2 minutes, bro. I'm straight. I ain't tripping. You got 2 minutes left for your little move, and let's go. Let's go back to the 1 minute, bro. Stop leaving it here, bro. Why we gotta stay on the bear flag for? Let me see what's going on, bro.
Take it to your 7.
Nah, bro. He's horrible. Let's go down.
We still and then we got a 2-1-2 on the 15.
That's okay. All right.
Yeah.
Since you want to go higher, go to the 30-minute then.
That's
Go to
true.
30 minute.
That's entry trigger right there.
Go to 30-minute though. You on the 15, you might as well go to 30. Yeah. What now?
It's like, bruh, what you mean?
Where your bear flag at, bro? We ain't there no more. What are you talking about? And we got a whole 11 minutes. Remember what I said? 10 minutes before the close.
That man said, where your bear flag
We
at?"
inside, bro. It's nothing. Oh, damn.
Nah, bro.
I said, why you gotta go smaller now? Stay big.
Nah, bro. We eating up your wicks.
It's all right, bro. I called the PMG. I said, damn, it might take the PMG all the way down. At least I saved myself.
Oh,
Damn. All right, don't worry. Can we get the RSI up here?
yeah, bro.
No.
Yeah,
I'm
give me
just-
some
no
RSI in there. Give me some
No
RSI in there.
No RSI. We don't want to see that yellow line. Yours ain't even set up like mine. It look ugly.
Look, I don't use it, bro. You don't got no settings for it right now.
You know what I'm saying? You're making me blink for them dotted lines. Like, oh, where's it at? Where's the 50? Okay, there it is.
Let me go ahead and put the Moody special on real quick.
I'm saying do something for your boy. There we go. No, don't do me like you do. You would go 85. You would go 85. Only this guy.
Hey, let me show you something once I get off these settings. Come here. Come here. Give me that wig, boy. Give me
I don't care.
Give me
All I
your-
need
give
is
me-
the
Give me your
50.
wicks, Moody. Give me your wicks.
Bro, it's about to bounce. Watch me get this morning star. 5 minutes. How long we got? Why you went my way? Oh, it just started. Damn.
Here's a new candle. It's fresh. Yeah, it's fresh.
Damn.
It's fresh.
All right, it's cool. Let's go to 3 minute. Can I see? Can I see if we got a reversal yet? Can we go to 1 minute? Thank you.
Nothing.
All right, cool. It's all right. It's all right. We getting hammers at the bottom of the downtrend. I'm not tripping. And we coming from the bottom. We just rejected a little bit. It's all right. I ain't tripping. It's Bitcoin, baby. Oh my gosh. 1 minute. Don't do that. Thank you. Stay inside, please.
Do it.
Jesus Christ.
Do it.
Oh my gosh. There we go. Come on. And you would draw freaking out.
Hey, bro.
Let's go.
Hey, bro.
Reversal. Let's go. 2-2 reversal. Let's go. Let's go. PMG to the upside. Let's eat it. Come on. Dang, you still got that trend line.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
It's all right. That could be a tweezer. That could just be a tweeter bottom. I ain't tripping.
Oh,
Why you gotta show people that? Like, whatever, bro. I hope we disrespect your trend line, bro.
You said that when it was so big.
I said bounce.
Yeah, you wanted.
I wanted to disrespect it this time.
No, man.
Yeah, that is the double bottom, bro. That is a double bottom. Yeah, Morningstar. Told you, tweezer
Yeah,
bottom.
bro. You got your tweezers.
Let's go.
You got your tweezer
Tweezer bottom,
bro.
eating up the PMG. Disrespect his. Man, don't do that. Let's go. Disrespect it. Let's go back in that channel. What is wrong with you? Stop playing with Moody. We're on a 1 minute. Go to 30 seconds, bro.
Let's see the 30 seconds.
Let's go. TTO back to the upside. Stop playing. I want to. Let's go. Disrespectful. Let's close like that. 22 seconds. Let's disrespect that green line. That's what I would like. I know we're going to reject that green line, but I want to go back over it. Baby girl, don't play with me. You know how we do this.
Let me move that up.
Play with me. Don't move that green line, bro. Hit redo. The little redo button. Hit redo.
That's the
Oh,
love
son.
button.
You on Jordan's side? Well, you could get it too then. Disrespect what he said too.
Might got a little bounce.
Hey,
to
can
you,
we
bro.
go to the 3 minute or the 5 minute? I appreciate you. Ooh, nice PMG. Ooh, 2-2 reversal. Ooh, reversal everywhere. Oh, okay. I could read them that fast too. It's all right, bro. We all good. Inside, we Gucci. I ain't tripping.
We on the 16-minute, bro.
You know what I'm saying? Now that's crucial. I ain't never do the 16. Oh, 16 still on the uptrend. 5 minute, no reversal yet. That's cool. 3 minute reverse though.
Mm-hmm.
So he's trying to let he's trying to let the 5 minute play out. The 5 minute gonna give me the reversal too. Yeah, 2-2 reversal on the 3 minute.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You see his little box? Demand zone. Stop playing. Disrespect his trend line, bro. We already tested it. Stop. Just there we go. Pin bar, hammer. Disrespect it. Let's take the target.
Go
Let's
ahead. Push
go.
it, bro. You good.
Let's go. Stop playing, man. Why I gotta play? Damn, bro.
Uh-oh. Don't
Why
do
I
it.
gotta
Don't do
play,
it,
bro?
man. Don't do it to his feelings.
Why I gotta play, bro? Damn. Why I gotta play for it? Whip back up. Show him what it is, though. We
Don't
still
do it to his
inside.
feelings, bro.
We're inside, bro. Trade is valid. And you gotta.
Hey, we outside, bro. I'm sorry to tell you, bro.
Yo, I hope we bounce off that demand. Dang, so we just got a tweezer top. Okay, on the 2 minute. Oh my God, bounce off demand. Stop playing. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Go back to the 1 minute. Go back to the one. Let's
Yeah,
go.
I was already on
Let's
it.
go. Let's go. I don't care. I'm fighting your trend line. I'm fighting your trend. I don't
Hey,
care.
bro. We had the
I don't care about
retest.
that.
We got the retest.
I don't care about that.
You know it's raps once we dump under here, bro.
I don't care. We coming back to test the 50 mark on RSI, so I ain't tripping. And
Hey,
you
bro.
do it up perfect for me so I can see the demand. Thank you.
You're welcome, bro.
Thank you.
You're welcome, bro.
Thank you.
It's a group effort, bro.
Man, come on, bro. It's a group effort, right?
Group effort, bro.
Nah, man, my bull's about to come through. Like, come on, man. Better respect Bitcoin. What's wrong with you?
Yeah, bro.
Let's go. Come on, stop. We already disrespected that line, dude. You taking we got a whole minute. Let's go. Let's go. I told you we disrespected it already. It's no point of playing. There's no point of playing. Let's go take out the targets. We got 2 targets. No, we got 1 target up there. We got 1 target. Give it to me. That's gonna put us back in the channel. That's gonna put us back in the channel. Let's go. We took it out, baby. I told you, baby. Let's go.
Okay.
I told you disrespected it already. It's gonna be easy to do it again. Let's go. Green line this time. Come on, Poppy. Let's go. Champagne Poppy, where you at? Don't lose volume. Where we at? 25 seconds. Why are you doing that, bro? Stay inside the trend. Like, it's not that hard. All you got to do is keep the volume in the trend and we're good. Like, you're doing too much. Like, we don't want to see the white line. Close over it. Thank you. At least close over the white line. At least close. We already closed over the white line one time. Can we do it again? Now he's trying to make me not see the doji. Let's go. Come on. Bounce off of it. Bounce. Baby, look, I know I'm talking a little aggressive. I'm sorry. Bounce. It's okay. Look, we got a whole 47 seconds. I'm not tripping about that. I don't care. We could see red. Let's take it to the upside. You could bounce off the white line, but I really want you to bounce off the yellow. If we could do this guy, we ain't need that much volume. You know what I'm saying? 2 minute, 3 minute. There we go. Greystone, baby. Let's go. Multiple time frame analysis. We doing great. I told you, bounce. We doing great. Take it back to the 1 minute so they can see the bounce. We doing great. Bounce. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Morning star. Let's go. Don't show me no even star. How long I got on that? 10 seconds? Shit. I don't want the evening star again, bro. Come on. Can we take out the target?
It's testing that trend line.
Can I get a bull flag and not an evening star? Bull flag and not an evening. Bull flag and not an evening? I'll take the bull flag. We could flag if you don't want to pick direction. It's all right. How you want to do it? You want to go Backstreet Boys and sing? How you want to dance it out, baby? I'll take you there. Come on. Let's go. We flagging. We flagging, we pick direction to flag. Let's keep flagging it. Let's keep flagging it, baby. Come on. We pick direction to flag. Ain't no reason to fail. Let's flag up the trend. Flag up the trend. The trend is your friend. Told you. Come on. Trend is your friend, baby. Stupid, ugly bastard. I swear to God. I swear to God. Look at him in the background. Oh my God. So you really gonna do the evening star after you just told me you're gonna flag? Okay. I hate these outside bars. Now that's an engulfing bar. Just had to engulf the whole show. Let's go. We using. I hate that white line.
Why?
Because it just doesn't want to hold.
Why you hating, bro?
I dislike. I take that back. I dislike. You gonna record this? Oh man.
Nah, bro.
There we go. Come on, man. Let's hold. If we could hold the white line at least for 2 candles, I think we'd be straight. 2 candles. I'm asking for 2 candles to hold so we could jump up. And I hate that you drew that bear flag. I feel like you just talking to it. Like, hey. And it's your chart too.
Mm-hmm.
You better be friendly. You're my candlesticks. We talk to each other all night. I'm still up. Come on, sacrifice. That's what you told me. Sacrifice my time. And you going, come on, man. Show the people what it is, man. Are you for Moody? Or are you for Jourdan right now?
I think it's gonna go your way, bro.
I think so too, but she taking forever, and she know I don't like that. She know that.
It's
She know how.
hella rejections though.
Like that. She playing hard to get. I don't like all that. Like, you know what I'm saying? That's
Hella
different.
rejections. Hella rejections.
Hella rejection. I see it. But
So-
guess what? Guess what? I got higher lows.
Really?
I'll take
Stop.
right when I say higher lows, right? You just gonna give me a new low. Now I got a new low.
Bro. There's your 5.
There we go, baby.
You on the inside on 5 though.
You know what I'm saying? I ain't tripping. How long we got? We got 3 minutes on the 5?
Yeah, bro.
Overreacting.
We're on the 5.
I'm
Ooh.
overreacting. There we go. PMG, bull flag breakout. I'm overreacting. I apologize, my baby girl. Take your time.
It look good to go up, bro.
Take your time. Nah, stay with your bear flag, bro. Stay with your bear
Bro,
flag.
I already said the
Watch
trigger
your bear
game is
flag.
here,
Your
bro.
bear flag about to turn into something bullish. I ain't even looking for a
I
pattern.
need a break below here for my entry, bro. I don't think it's pulling back down here.
No, that's cheating, bro. That's cheating. You can't do that. That's
I said that 5 minutes ago, bro.
That's cheating, bro. That's cheating. You drew that demand zone for me. You know what I'm saying? That was in my chart. My candle whispered to you and was like, at least draw Moody the demand zone.
Nah, bro. You know I need my clothes. I need my clothes down here.
You and your rules. You and your rules.
Hey, bro.
Hey, did you just move that trend line?
Yeah, let's pull it out.
Nah, hit redo.
Let me undo it, bro. It's still, bro. All that talk about disrespecting my trend line, every time it touch it, it respect it.
Just wait for it, bro. Like,
when you see and hear my name,
bro, you heard what Jourdan said. You listen to a guy that talks when he's down 5-6 points. You know what? I'm gonna post it on Instagram for you. I forgot.
I know what you're talking about, bro.
Yeah, you feel me?
Like I said, we moving higher, but we still
I'm down right now.
still respecting my trend line, bro.
Listen, we're gonna disrespect it. It's okay. You see how you said respect? All we gotta put is a D. Dis. DI, yeah.
Boy.
A DIS.
Man said this. I think it's gonna pop back up, bro.
You think?
I think, but you
There
know,
goes that P. Do not. I hope it does not peak that
I'm
PMG.
still
2000.
waiting for the breakdown here.
It's a
I
lot of
need-
rejection though. I ain't gonna lie. That's the only thing I don't like.
Yeah, I need my clothes down here. That's my put though for the.
I still think she's gonna break up though. I got faith in her, even though I got a red hat on. She's been trying to hold that white line. So
Mhm.
you know what I'm
Bro,
saying? I ain't worried about that yellow
you're not
line.
the only one that be whispering the Bitcoin in the middle of the night, bro. You couldn't have thought, bro.
Oh, she saw the PMG. No.
Couldn't have thought it was just you.
Nah, I ain't think so.
I be telling Bitcoin all my secrets, and she be telling me hers.
Yeah, you got me on this one. You got it. You got it. You got it. It's okay. I still believe in her, but I'm willing to. You got it. It's okay.
I got it, bro. You seen that? We still holding that median
Shut
resistance.
up. I'll wait here. Leave it alone.
All right, y'all, I'm going to bed.
Lauren, you got to give some input on the Bitcoin chart. Come on.
As I'm leaving,
Oh my God.
oh my God, good night, Jay.
He's like, I done took the glasses off. No more.
Man, look, bro, if Lauren getting off, then we got to get off, bro. Oh, there we go.
Oh, wait, what happened? Tell me we went up.
No, we did not go up, sir. Come on now. Come on now, bro. We just retested the demand zone pretty much. That was it. Lauren, don't you want to see who wins the Bitcoin battle?
I'm just gonna ask y'all in the morning when I wake up.
Hey, let's make a bet. Y'all want to short? Oh my God. No.
Demand zone test again.
Oh no. Jesus Christ, bro. How strong is that demand, bro? Can we go to a 5-minute?
Bro, it's heavy, bro.
Okay, it's pretty okay. Okay. I like it. I like it. It's all right.
Look at the bounce. Look at the bounce. But we
I like it. I like it.
let's get back
It's
to the
pretty
one.
strong.
Let's
I
get
like
back to
it.
the action now, bro.
I like it. I like it. I like it.
I need a close. I just need a close and I'm good.
I like it.
I just need a close and I'm good.
Golly, bro, they just listening to you right now, bro.
Told you, bro. I told
I've been up too long.
Oh, good night, Lauren. My bad. I ain't even.
Peace out, Lauren. Good night, man.
Oh,
Wow, right when Lauren leaves, too. This is like, finish him.
Come on.
I already called it quiz though, bro. I told you you had it. I had a quick stop loss.
Oh yeah.
I utilized my stop. Dang, bro. It's really about to drain now.
It's looking good.
Let's see.
We're gonna pull back and retest right here before we drop. And we're gonna give Moody a flash of hope, and then we're gonna drop. We're gonna pull back right there, and then
I hope it disrespects that yellow line again. If it do, it's a wrap. If you get the rejection, you got it. But if we disrespect your yellow line, bro, I'm back in the green. I'm back in the green. Bro, do not reject that. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me, bro? That sucks, bro. Y'all bull suck. They know money in the market. What is wrong with me? That's why you short as shit.
come here.
I forget, bro. It's like 4 o'clock in the morning. I hate you.
It showed 340. It's a wrap, bro.
I know. He about to take it all the way to the bottom white line.
Oh yeah.
It's
We
all
got
right.
to. And then where we going after that?
You can't win them all, bro. It's all right. It's all right, bro. I lose too.
Hit that Luther. I accept my loss.
I do, bro. I accept it, bro. It's all good. And I got out early. You know what I'm saying? I got out before we broke yellow.
We're gonna come down to right here. That's the same level.
Facts.
I don't know. I'm still on the 1. I can take it to the 5.
Yeah. Just gonna break that.
Let's just take it down. Well, bro.
I'm saying, bro, I take it. You got it. Like it broke the whole demand zone. Look at that wick.
Bro, that must shot through quick. We good, bro.
That whole demand zone is gone now, bro.
Well, I like this close right here.
Let's see. What you got? 20 seconds on that candle?
Mm-hmm.
If you close in the green, bro, it's gonna be a wrap for that trade.
What was this high?
It's setting up for a nice PMG. I'll tell you that much. But I don't like that it just started rejecting the yellow.
Hey, bro, watch this real quick.
TTO. I hate you. Shut up. You see how fast he learns? I hate this guy. You want to see this right here? Yeah, that's what a TTO is right there. Triangle day out. PMG and 4. Yep. Oh my gosh. As soon as I called that PMG, I should have went put. Because I seen it when he was going quick. I seen it on the 5 minutes.
Yes, sir.
See, I told you, bro. You just didn't get that close yet. But
I'm taking this, bro.
no, I'm saying like closing in the green.
Yeah.
It's a wrap. That trade done. You got it. You in? Yeah. I'm saying you. Oh, and honestly, you would have took the break of the bear flag.
Yeah, I mean that's where I originally called out the break retest. Break retest.
So that's right. I'm saying you got it. You got it, right? Jourdan. Okay, one for 0. Don't worry about it. I'm coming back for it. Look, somebody said can't give up that easy, Moody.
It's all right, bro.
Nah, I got to because I want to be bullish and he's gonna be bearish. And right now it's a wrap. Unless it eats that PMG, but it doesn't matter about that PMG no more. It has to break that yellow line. And it's already weak. We making nothing but higher lows.
I'm telling you, 340. Follow the charts.
Yeah, follow the charts, not the heart. Because if you want to follow your heart, the heart gonna be like, we just gotta tweet the bottom right now. Hold on, let's see. Like, all right, when it lose volume, you gonna lose hope. Let's see how we close. Let's see how this. Oh snap! Let's see how it closed.
Ain't nobody stunning that PMG, bro. It's from the reject.
Oh my god, bro! Are you kidding? These bulls got. Yeah. Oh, hold on. Are we gonna get a pin bar off of you? Are we gonna get...
No.
45 seconds.
Nah, bro.
You said don't give up easy. Hold on. Are we gonna get a pin bar? Are we going for inverted head and shoulders? Can we anticipate the pattern? Yo, we might get an inverted head and shoulders. Hold on. Inverted after the 2 double bottoms inside of your demand zone. Let's see what happens if it respects this demand zone. Because it's still respecting your demand zone at the end of the day. Lower high strong. Hold on, I told you. Hold on. How we closing, baby? Oh, there we go. Bull flag breakout. Can we get a bull flag breakout? Can we get a bull flag breakout? Damn, bro. They got no type of strength right now.
Bro, they tired, bro. Don't you know bulls go to sleep, bears stay awake forever?
Golly, bro.
Yeah, bro. Let's go ahead and take out this inside. Man, once we take the inside, we can come ahead, drop down to 24,600.
You just trying to disrespect it worse, like larger percentages.
I mean, we 212 right here. So we good. Come on.
Man,
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Think you need to.
I don't want this trade unless it breaks over the yellow line.
Hey, I want you to buy me a box of Apple Jacks.
Yeah, bro, ain't no problem, bro. I got you. I'll send over 5.
Appreciate you, bro.
Absolutely. I just need this inverted head and shoulders to actually work out.
No. No, bro.
But it's on a 1-minute chart, so we're gonna need some candles for that.
No, bro.
There we go. Come on, can we
Even
get?
if you push, bro, you finna hit here. You finna.
But like I said, I need the break of the yellow line. That's what I would take. I take the break of the yellow line.
And get stopped.
Not even the white line. I don't even want the break of the white line.
10 minutes there. Undo the trend line. Hit the undo. Hit redo. Damn, bro. I can't extend my trend line, bro. That's cheap.
Still rejected. That's bullshit, bro.
Hey, man.
Bro, nah, bro, you got this, bro. You're not about to get me. You're not about to get me back in this trade and make me go 2 for 0.
Oh, bro, yeah, no, leave it alone, bro. Leave it alone.
And then he gonna keep me on the 1 minute. He ain't gonna try to take. I don't got no reversal on the bigger time frame yet.
Torture.
Everything is 2 down, 2 down.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. You're looking kind of stuck here.
Bro, we got one inside. We got one
double inside on the 3.
We got
Double
one.
inside on the 5. But
It's gonna go back up though.
let's look inside. Let's look inside those candles and see what's really going on. Come on. Come on.
Bro.
We
Oh
can put
my.
in the sale order real quick.
This is some bullshit. Bro, why we gotta watch this? Cause you know it's about to break, bro. Chill out. Oh my god, bro. These bulls suck, bro. They can't even pick up the support. They ain't picking no type of support, bro. Daily at the top to it's your friend. There we go. PMG. Finally, at the bottom of the support, y'all finally pick it up. Are we gonna close? Can we close up there, nigga? Can we do this? Can we do it? I'll take the break or inverted head and shoulders. Come on, baby. Yes. I told you we just needed a few candles. We just tested the yellow line. I'll take the break of the yellow line. I'll take the break of the yellow line. I'll take the break of the inverted head and shoulders, baby. Sloppy this way. You see it. You just don't want to.
Oh.
Let's go. I'm taking it. Close over it. We're out of here, baby. I'm taking it. PNG let's go to supply. I'll take it to his supply zone. I'll take it to the supply zone. Let's go, baby. I'll take it to supply. Let's go to supply. Let's go to supply. Inverted. Oh, you bastard. Oh my, let's go. Let's go. Well, we got 43 seconds. Oh, don't get volatile on me. Just hold the price. Just hold it there.
1 minute charter motions be like, oh, let's go. Oh no. Oh, let's go. Oh no.
All right. Why? Oh, let's go. Hey, bro, take me to the 3-minute chart.
Oh man.
Okay, we didn't close. Close. Oh man. Don't even go to the 1 minute. Oh my god, bro. 7, 8, darn. Oh, that for nothing. Oh my god. What
It's
the
okay.
heck?
It's okay, bro. It's okay. It's not okay. I'm sorry. I was gonna say it's okay if this candle didn't break the low, but it did.
It did, bro. It was already good.
It's not okay no more. I mean, you got your pull back, bro. So we still holding. We still holding.
Bruh, look, look. Holding what? What are we holding? Oh
Straight
my
draw. Yeah,
God,
bro.
Jesus Christ. At least it gave me the inverted head and shoulders. And I caught it beforehand.
Oh man. Come on, bro.
Golly, bro.
That man said we gonna disrespect your trend line.
Damn, bro.
I
I should have just took it at the white line. I lose all the profit trying to be greedy, trying to go to supply zone. How dare I? Jeez. Could have just topped that at the white line. Wow, I'm done. All right, let's do it again. Come on.
Not again.
Let's do it again. Come on.
Not again.
Let's do it one more time.
One more?
Let's do it one more time. Let's go. I got faith in y'all. Y'all had in that time. Let's go.
You want me to be real extra, bro?
Nah, bro. I don't even do all that.
Let me be real extra real quick.
Don't draw another line, bro. Don't draw another line. Oh my God. Oh my gosh.
Let me be
At
real
least,
extra.
at least he's an uptrend. It's an uptrend. So I ain't sure. Oh no, he's trying to break that shit. Let's go, baby. Oh my God. Can we go 2 up though? I don't want to stay inside of his freaking green can. Oh my God. Bruh. Jeez. Bruh. Fuck me. Fuck. I'm done. 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 How many seconds we got? 23? Y'all some assholes. What is this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sorry.
Oh, this is gonna be the candle to do it, ain't it? Yup,
Dude,
yup, it's gonna go ahead and hit it. Yup.
hate this shit, bro. Oh man, you got
Told
it.
you, bro. I said, bro, but for the come in, he's gonna wick right off that bitch. Well, that's the game, sir. It was fun. Enjoyed our time.
He's like, I don't want to see the bounce back.
It don't matter to me no more, bro. That was it.
Oh man.
That was it, bro.
But look, everybody, now you see how you trade. See, and then if you wanna go for rejection, you just use that new yellow line that he drew.
Mm-hmm. You go ahead and double up off the retest, bounce back down. But that was the bear flag breakout retest continuation back to this level right here.
And that's how you mentally trade and get your confidence up. Even though one person got their confidence up.
Bro, I took that shit.
I got my confidence up too. I ain't gonna cap. I got out that trade early. That was a quick loss. Remember, I got out at the white line.
It all the way.
First white line. No, or the yellow line. He drew too many lines. I forgot now.
Hey, that's how I be when I be on Spy and SPS and stuff on the one, bro. I be marking it bit. Oh, I was like, all right. Mm-hmm.
He's still on here. He's still on here because he's trying to wait for it to reject the yellow line and be like, you see, that's what he's doing. That's exactly what he's doing. I told you. Look, rejected my white line. And that's how you know when you're on a roll and you're on fire. Like, and when you're on fire, you just gotta rock with yourself. You just gotta trust yourself and keep going. Yeah, that's fire. Yeah, whatever. You got that. It's gonna break that line too. I already know it. I told you. Yeah. I don't care. I don't care anymore. Like, he's gonna put it on Zoom. We still live on Zoom. We getting wiped out. Three. He's 3 for 0. Oh my God. We're gonna take it to the bottom of the arrow, the red arrow. Like, I'm done. TV,
Bruh,
no trim.
that's literally what I was thinking, bro.
Look,
I was
look,
thinking,
look,
I'm gonna
look.
take it down, right? I'm gonna take it down right to my arrow.
At least I called it. I said it's 4 o'clock. What is wrong with me? I didn't understand. I haven't gone to sleep. There's no money in the market. He cheated. He cheated. He cheated. I said I was in the
Hey,
hospital
bro.
for 6 hours.
Hey, bro, I'm taking that, bro. That's a wrap. That's
Yeah,
a wrap.
that's fine. Yeah, it went to the bottom of, man.
It went ahead and it went ahead and hit the arrow.
You know what I mean? And I don't even care that I lost. I'm gonna just be real. Look, it's going worse. It's going further. It went further than the arrow.
Oh,
But
bro, we
I'm
already
not gonna
put that level out here too, bro.
hey, bro, go to the 15-minute chart.
Oh yeah, you know that's murder. Straight blood. All blood, no crip.
Oh man. But nah, but that's how you know how to trade. You know what I'm saying? I was just on the losing side that time. You know
That's
what
okay, bro.
Oh yeah, I know. It's all right.
Hey,
I ain't lose faith in myself. But I got I ain't gonna lie, I got an ass whooping. It's all right though. I'll take it.
that's slick. That's slick, kind of fun, like live trade battles.
For real, we might have to start doing this, bro. On some real. But it gotta be me seeing something different, you seeing something different. You know what I'm saying? It just gotta be that way. Cause I literally was going for calls. That's what I saw, that's what I felt. And you literally went for puts. You know what I'm saying? You was like, well, this is what I see. You
Yeah,
know?
bro. I hear you. I
That
hear
was
you.
like, you know what I'm saying? And we should probably do this like literally live, like make a battles live mentally. Did I thought I thought he was gonna write.
I was about to put something. That's so long, bro.
But nah, this was dope, bro. This was fire. And I'm like, nah, you know what? I'm gonna take this 1 for 0. Because this is our first time doing it. I ain't gonna take 3 for 0. I'm gonna take 1 for 0 and we can run this back. Yeah, nah, most definitely. I'm definitely gonna get this look back. But nah, look at that morning star. Let's go. But I'm not jumping in that. I ain't with it.
Yeah, bro. You already know. You already know the vibe.
That
You
was
already
fire,
know.
hats off to you. I'll give you that one.
Appreciate it, bro.
Fire. Why you gotta, brother? Stop charting it.
I can't stop.
Like, what the hell? But look, everybody, this is how you also cheat in the market. You feel me? I forgot what time it was, but when you understand that and you know the market is dead, you know what I mean? Take it to Forex. Trade Bitcoin, trade Ethereum.
Oh, man, that man said cheat. All right. Me and my Chips Ahoy are out.
Nah, I feel that, man. I need to go to bed myself, bro. I don't know what time I'm gonna wake up. I need some rest.
I gotta be at a baseball stadium in 8 hours. So I don't know how I'm gonna get 8 hours of sleep like we supposed to.
You know what I'm saying 8 hours is good, bro. 7 hours is juicy too, though.
I probably ain't gonna get that either. I might get like 4, bro. I be rolling with the 4.
4's not bad.
You know, it's enough.
2 hours where it gets you.
Yeah.
Your eyes still all watery, hard to open, the sun bothering you. You know what I'm saying? 4, you can manage. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
4, you good. 4, you can take the whole day. Like you can take 4 pretty far.
Yeah.
2, halfway through the day, but I'll be like, get out of my face, bro. Yeah, get out of my face, man.
Nah, yeah. But
I'm gonna take the chart off, bro. I'm gonna get off the chart, bro.
yeah. No, yeah. Let's wrap it up though, bro. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know what time it is.
4.
Thanks for already. Yeah, bro. See, we stay going crazy. But yeah, man, we're gonna go crazy some more. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay tuned. We know half of y'all sleep. You know what I'm saying? But y'all know how we do. May the Lord continue to bless us all. From the crown of our heads to the soles of our feet. But yeah, man.
Sir. Yes, sir. I'm gonna get off this chart and not sit here and watch it go ahead, pull back, and then reject and bounce back down. I'm done. All right, y'all. 22 folks still in the house. That's what's up, bro.
Still eating. I'm eating a Twix ice cream bar.
Okay, I was sure about to say, I know half of these folks sleep.
Not me. I stay eating.
Yeah.
I know Luther sleep. Patrick up. Darius up. Naja up. Friday
You
sleep.
fall asleep with the camera.
Friday definitely sleep. There's some folks that still up. Max Trading Rebel.
Max Trading. Yeah.
We learning. Okay.
Yes, sir. And don't forget, man, like y'all got bots in there too, man. Y'all could trade with the bots too. You know what I mean? Don't forget about that. They're not there to just be pretty.
Facts. Facts. All right, y'all. I don't feel like going to sleep, but I'm gonna force myself to go to sleep. Once Bitcoin comes back down to retest this, just joking.
Hey man, you can watch it. I'm gonna take my ass to bed. I've been waking up a while early, doing mad stuff. I need some rest. I know I do. I definitely. Because we gotta go crazy next week. That's how I'm looking at it. We gotta go crazy next week.
We can do that, bro. I mean, it really ain't nothing to do.
We got it.
Ain't nothing to it.
You know what I'm saying? We're gonna wake up on Monday regardless and take profits on the swings. You know what I'm saying? Depending on how much profits we take on that, may call it a day, or may just say, hey, let's go find some more setups. Because we know if we taking profits, we know other people taking profits, there's gonna be a pullback. There's gonna be other people that had FOMO, missed the ride. You know what I'm saying? Pushing price back up. So yeah, most definitely.
Bro, we're gonna do what we gotta do, man.
What's the most of y'all made in a day, if you don't mind sharing? In a day?
My biggest day was 12K on Netflix earnings.
To be honest, Microsoft, and this was like probably my third or fourth month trading. No, because I was still working. I was working on that Microsoft. It was when they came out with those VR things that they were doing for the army or something like that. I can't remember. I have to look, but I know for a fact it was like 25,000. You know, I never forget that because I remember looking at my account and looking at my boss like, say something else that's slick. And then maybe like 2 weeks or 3 weeks after that, that's when my wife gave me that speech that she had with her mother. 100, right? You know. But yeah, like my biggest plays was Microsoft, GameStop, AMC, BlackBerry, and this is all like in the beginning. What else can I remember? I had big plays on like energy plays, but that's when I understood, like I knew how to trade. Like I was able to like really read the charts. I wasn't taking other people's plays, but yeah, I would say those are like my biggest plays. And then I always forget it. Nicole, I can't pronounce them. They're a phone company, something like that. But Nokia got me a bag as well. FSR. I don't mention Macy's or DBS because that's like my journey of like building small accounts. But no, yeah, man. Trading is very profitable. You just have to stick with it. But I lost a lot of money as well too. I don't like to always talk about the gains. Like I lost a lot of money in this process. I guess never focused on it. and just kept going. Yeah.
I'm gonna get off this chart.
Yeah, of course. So we don't went back bullish on him. You feel me? Going back to his trend line, like you feel me? It's about to say Moody fatality up there. You feel me?
We're gonna pull back right here.
Oh no! Oh, you're on the one. I was about to say it's bull flagging. I thought he was on a bigger time frame.
I need to pull back right here. Hold support, hold resistance, break support. All right, bro. Oh. All right, I'm out. Y'all be easy, bro.
Everybody be easy. Peace out. All right, bro. Peace out, bro.
Peace, bro. Yeah, I'm looking at this. I'm looking at this candle, bro. I'm sorry. All right, I'm gone.